judgment, item 1, and then at least 6 of 2025 pertaining to IGOL Act.
Taken out the cost list or what? You've taken out the cost list. You take. Okay.
For the aforesaid reasons, we have no hesitation in setting aside the impugned judgment and order and direct for fresh examination of the accused appellant under section 313 CRPC by putting all material questions to the accused appellant, which may be regarded as incriminating circumstances as appearing in the evidence at the de novo trial, and thereafter to pass judgment afresh after hearing the parties. We also direct, in the interest of fairness, that the further proceedings in this case will be conducted by the learned district and session judge Sampai. If the TCR is in origin, let the same be returned back.
Yes.
Mention for withdrawal. Content. Withdraw.
When?
Okay.
Okay.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, I beg to mention item number 27, my lord. With the consent of the opposite parties, my lord.
Yes.
Item may be adjourned. And it may be listed after the vacation, my lord.
You're for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
What is this administrative order?
And because the matter was kept for reserved for judgment, but judgment was not delivered, but the honorable lordship was transferred to other placement.
As paid for by Mr.
P.K. Goswami.
Dr. P.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. And not objected to by the other side. Let the matter be listed for hearing after the ensuing puja petition.
May I please, Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18.
Yes.
There is an interim order in item number 18, which shall be continued, my lord.
What do you want?
Lordship,
On
17
on 17, my lord.
today,
17.
17, my lord. 17,
Item number 18.
18, my lord. I am for a petitioner, my lord. Need for a
As paid for by Mr.
K. Jain, on
K.
behalf of SCK,
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kayal,
Assam University.
standing counsel Assam University, list this matter on 17th of September
there is an interim order which shall be continued, my lord.
2025. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Highly available.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, my lord, for admission column, my lord. It's regarding promotion to the post of headmaster, my lord. Here, my lord, some junior cadre has already been, my lord, included in the gradation list, my lord, for the promotion to the post of, but other similar matter already disposed of by this honorable court, my lord.
You approach the registry for that.
My lord.
Okay. Yes.
I did to mention item number 26, have taken consent of the other side. The matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks. It may be also
You're for the
respondent.
after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. It may be fixed.
No, registry will fix the date. As paid for by Mr.
Yeah.
A.R. Tahvildar, Learned Standing Counsel,
Yeah, that's higher education.
Higher Education Department, and not objected to by the other side. List this matter for hearing.
Take this.
After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Made please your lordship. It's regarding item number 25, part third matter, in the consent of other side, the matter may come up on 18th, It's regarding that specialization matter, on 18th,
18 not possible. Can come up on 24th probably. Sorry. September, isn't it? Oh, this bench will not be available on 18th. This is a part third.
part third.
Then have it on 23rd.
23rd.
When? That's what.
After vacation.
Huh?
On 23rd, your lordship will be available.
That is why I'm giving you the date.
Yes. Until
You want it, you don't want it on the 23rd,
on 23rd, let me count.
which is this item?
25.
Let's wait for the, by the parties, listen this matter on 23rd September 2025. That's part third.
Most of it.
My lord, in relation of item number 13, we have filed an petitional affidavit, my lord, day before yesterday, that may be called for.
In item,
13, 13. That has not been tagged, my lord. Maybe called.
okay, additional item. Additional affidavit. You're for which party?
Petition.
For the petitioner.
May please. I pay for withdrawal tomorrow.
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 12. Lordship will kindly see, this matter is fixed as first item. The understanding was that the matter will be taken at 10:30, but Lordship has had to sit in a different division bench. I have no objection. The other side counsel has also come from Delhi. The other day, they said that he will be appearing and he will take about 1.5 hours. This was his submission. So my submission is that Lordship may take up the matter today. My reply may be taken up tomorrow, Lordship, because I have a flight to Bombay and Ahmedabad this afternoon. I will come back tomorrow morning. My colleagues will be here. They will note down the submissions.
When will you submit? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow by 12:30, I can appear before this. I will take half an hour time, not more than that. I'm well prepared with the case.
I don't know whether you should go ahead.
I think the request is being made on the premise that I'll take 1:30, I'll cut it to 1, then that half an hour remaining, the learned AG can take, we'll try and conclude.
Why not have it on Monday instead then? If both parties are free.
I have no difficulty on
There
this.
is some difficulty. I have a part heard before the Honorable Supreme Court on Monday. At least if I can start, Manoj, I'll try and conclude in 1 hour maximum.
The thing is that next week this bench is not available. So you will conclude, but that
Judgment
the
part.
judgment part will remain.
Yes.
So I don't want to leave it here and there. This is the problem.
I'll take only half an hour tomorrow. By 1 o'clock, it will be over.
Next week, you have it next week, anytime.
Monday. Yeah, in that case.
No, he has some part heart, he said.
On Monday, it's not possible.
Wednesday,
Will it
Tuesday,
be possible
Wednesday.
if I can at least, I'm sorry, I'm pushing for it, but if I can argue and then learned AG whenever convenient can argue, Manoj.
No, it doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work.
With this code.
Can it be
Today,
tomorrow?
when somebody tomorrow.
Can it be tomorrow? Then I can at least stay back for tomorrow. Can it be tomorrow? Both of us can
Yes,
argue
Lord.
tomorrow and we can conclude it.
Yes.
If that is fine, my lord, if that is suitable for me. I'm sorry for the push, my lord. The only thing is there's some difficulty next week, Monday, Tuesday, 2 days. Tomorrow is convenient. We can have it tomorrow. I'll take maximum 1 hour, 10
What is
minutes.
the situation tomorrow? For the matter. Yes, correct. There's one other administrative thing in there. All these issues are.
As I understand, I leave
Tomorrow
it.
again, I'm hard pressed because the afternoon I have some administrative
I
work
understand.
for that reason.
We leave it to my lord. I mean, I won't push beyond the point, my lord.
I would suggest that if you parties can agree to having a date in next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll give you a date,
Then Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Lord, Tuesday works.
Then let it be taken up. In fact, I can leave at 3 o'clock. Till 3 o'clock, I can be in the court.
I'll conclude by 2:30 maximum. I'll try and conclude by 2:30. 3 o'clock, another AG can complete. There's
No.
something more to in rejoinder I'll add.
You have any problem on Tuesday? Tuesday is a hearing date anyway,
Tuesday, the 9th, Lord.
9th. Yes, 9th.
9th shall work, my lord. 9th.
9th as the first item.
Lord, 9th, there is no
Lord.
problem.
Due to certain inconvenience, the matter cannot be taken up today, although the matter is fixed.
Well, I'm sorry, instead of Tuesday, can it be Thursday? If that is
No,
convenient.
difficult, Lordship. That's the. I am going away again. on
As agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed on Tuesday.
Ninth.
For admission hearing. Yes,
Diploma.
Plus, the interim may continue till.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. You
Grateful,
write as a first item,
grateful.
Highly authorized.
as the first item in the motion, in the admission column.
Grateful, my lords, deeply
Yes.
grateful.
All I think.
Just one request. Lord, I prepared a note for arguments for that day. We've already given it to the government. Should I just tender it to my lord so that it'll be convenient on that day, or should we tender
No,
it
you tender it on that day.
that day? I've
Yes.
already given it to the other side.
Yes.
Lordship, we have challenged selection and appointment of private respondent for the assistant teacher. And meanwhile petitioner got other service, so decided to withdraw this case.
Why is it connected to the other cases? With item number 21.
This matter was that with the series of the case, we were also challenged the selection and appointment conducted by the DC.
Item 21 will remain otherwise, isn't it?
Yes.
21. 21 to 24. Of course, yes. Is it listed in both cases? No. Your good name, please.
SR Das on behalf of AT Sarkar.
Ms. S.R. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, appearing on behalf of Mr. A.T. Sarkar, the lead counsel in the matter, submits that during the pendency of the case, the petitioner has got employment elsewhere and therefore would not like to press the matter. In view of above, the writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Lordship, in respect of item number 24, Lordship, connected matter, Lordship. Lordship, we require some time to file our rejoinder, Lordship.
24 has not been called out.
It was tagged along.
24 is not yet called out. See, this is not only 24, this is from 21 to 24.
21 to 20.
When the matter is called, you make a prayer. Okay.
Hello, President.
Motion item 1.
My lord, in this matter, we have filed our affidavit yesterday, my lord. My lord,
Yes, so
yesterday
Well-
only we have filed the affidavit.
have you received a copy?
Copy I have received yesterday, but they had to file, my lord, as per the order by Monday, that only they filed yesterday.
So let it be brought on record.
And matter may be taken at 2, my lord, because otherwise on by 5th, my lord, it will be infectious if not
No,
any
no, no,
judgment
my
is-
lord. The second round of counseling is starting from 10th of September only, my lord. I have the schedule, my lord.
Tenor for Arumban.
So we'll have it on Monday then.
Hearing them, my lord, on Thursday next then.
Huh?
10th was the.
10th is the next date, so
Yes, my
you
lord.
should not.
9th.
Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health Department submits that affidavit has been filed today Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. And a copy has been served to Mr. A.I. Udin, learned counsel for the petition. He is however seen that the affidavit is not yet on record. Mr. A.I. Udin, learned counsel, expresses urgency in the matter. But Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel, standing counsel, health department submits that the second round of counseling is due to start only on 9th of September. Next para in view of above. Registry to verify and connect the affidavit said to have been filed to the record and list the matter on 8th of September.
9 At 8, I will be out of.
Or on 9th of September. Okay.
I am obliged.
Obliged, madam.
Yeah, please, your lordship. I have received the lordship final pension, but I have not received 3 increment for the year 2016, 17 and 18 and 1 time scale and area of reverse pay.
Can it be referred for mediation? Can it be referred?
Yes.
All right. Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the matter may be referred for mediation. In view of above, registry to place the matter before the mediation center on priority basis for the necessary action.
I'm appearing for 1 and 4.
Mr. Das, learned counsel appears, standing counsel, secondary appears for 1 and 4.
Yeah, not fine for 2 and 3.
And Ms.
Keep it.
K. Pukan, learned government advocate, appears for respond numbers 2 and 3.
Deeply obliged.
I have no objection, my lord. Kindly peruse the order dated 12/8, my lord. The respondent seeking time for instruction, my lord.
Yes, can we refer it? Yeah. K.R. Patgiri, learned counsel appears for the petitioner and Ms. S. Sukia, learned standing counsel elementary education appears for the department. And Ms. M. Pukan, learned government advocate appears for the respondents. State respondents, and they submit that they have no objection in the matters referred for mediation. In view of above, registry to place the matter before the mediation center on priority basis for necessary action.
Obliged.
This is matter pertains to my lord. I have not received any pensionary benefit from the date of my retirement. And the reason is that my lord, a case was registered against me and I was convicted. And recently, my lord, I have been acquitted from the charges with this honorable court. Perhaps there is no, so it cannot be perhaps referred to mediation, my lord, because as per the last order, they are supposed to take instruction.
Why do you say that it cannot be referred for mediation?
Matter is that, my lord, I was suspended from service in 2004 because a case was filed by my wife for the offense of bigamy. And trial was conducted and I was convicted. In the appeal, the appellate court has upheld the order. Then I preferred the revision before this court. And recently, my lord, I have been acquitted. So perhaps there is, and my service benefit has been withheld because of the pendency of this criminal case. Now I am, my lord, out of the charges and I have been acquitted. The recent judgment, my lord, 19/3/2025, I have been acquitted.
So parties will agree to the mediation and it can be settled. Why not? It cannot be, why not? It cannot be settled with mediation. Any difficulty?
My party, my lord, he is suffering from ailment, so perhaps he could not come for mediation. He could not even come for signing the affidavit because of his ill health condition.
Oh, that's a different thing, you see. Otherwise, things would have speeded up if you will go for mediation. Now, have you filed any affidavit?
No, your lordship. Your lordship, we need to construct our file also. This matter is pertaining to 22 and we have lost the file, your lordship. We are not able to crack it.
What does it say?
Get a copy.
That says, my lord, I have been reinstated from service from the date of my retirement.
Now, this was already supplied to the court,
Yes, ma'am. It was recorded on the last occasion.
already supplied here, it's here, available here.
In the last paragraph of this instruction, the lordship see.
Who's respondent number 8? Headmaster.
The private
Private respondent is there, your lordship, headmaster,
service is
followed by
completed.
high school, Walpara.
Headmaster has been served already.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So we'll post it again after 3 weeks then.
Yes, ma'am.
File your affidavit.
A copy may provide to us, your lordship. I already pre the petition as.
Even extra copy.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that having regard to the nature of the case, the matter may not be sent for mediation. Stop. Ms. P. Das, standing counsel, secondary education, appears for the State Department and submits that she needs to reconstruct the file. Review for the office. Petitioner shall furnish an extra copy of the writ petition to Ms. P. Das. And the department shall file their counsel affidavit. And for which 3 weeks' time is granted. Mr. Arboro. Learned counsel appears for respondent number 3 and Ms. N. Pukan, learned government advocate appears for respondent number 5. This the matter again after the ensuing Puja vacation on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Deeply obliged.
Item 5.
Elementary education. Where's your affidavit?
Yes, madam, their parents to madam hand over the records by the minor superintendent of police madam. If you lordship parents there, madam, portion is page 13 madam. Page 12 madam. Directing the respondent number 8 and 9 to hand over the original copies of 7 numbers of scissor files madam. Madam, respondent number 8 and 9 is the superintendent of police madam, they have seized the documents.
So,
It is in the custody of them. Madam.
so are they a party, the police? No?
The government is representing them, madam, 7 and 8.
What is the matter regarding?
This document says, my lord, in regard to the, if you also pay page 12, my lord, payer person, in regard to Abhayapuri PS case number 636 of present.
No, that I've seen. They want release of the documents. Why? Why it has been seized? What is the matter?
FIR was filed, in regard to misappropriation of money, madam. Now they have retired, madam, petitioner. Their pension,
See, it was last listed on 29/5/24. And time was granted to elementary education.
I am appealing, madam, but,
Yes, so what is your instruction?
whether. Well, I will take instruction whether respondent number 8 and 9 has sent the original copy to us or not. ma'am.
Ms. Fukan, any instruction?
Right now, I don't, I can bring it.
None will be as for the petitioners when the matter is called. Ms. S. Sukia Lanet, Standing Counsel Elementary School Education. And Ms. N. Fukan, Lanet Governor Advocate, appears for the respondents and paid for further 3 weeks time for the instructions. Prayers and listed in up to 3 weeks.
আপনি 6 না? No 6 plus. উঠিয়ে বলে? ঠিক আছে।
I think was ready, yes, sir.
This case also I have no objection.
Already, your lordship, we have filed in our affidavit, already papers has been, your lordship, submitted to Director of Pension. We also have no objection.
Thereafter, my lord, kindly see last order, my lord. The government has stated that, my lord, the proposal already returned to the IS Borpeta, my lord, for some deficiency, my lord. Last order, it was reflected, my lord.
আবার mediation গৈ চাই লওক যদি নহয়তো আকৌ আহিব ইমান মন আছে নে পইচা দিবলৈ
Refer the matter before the mediation, my lord.
Okay, Mr. K.R. Padgiri, Lanet Counsel appears for the
মাপো পাৰো
petitioner, and Ms. B. Das Lanet, Standing Counsel Secondary Education, appears for the State Department. And they submit that the matter may be sent for mediation. Stopping view of her. Which is to send the matter to the mediation center on priority base or necessary action.
Obliged.
deeply obliged.
My lord, this can also be referred to the mediation, but my lord, petitioner number 1 is an old ailing lady, my lord. She will not be able to appear before the mediation. So, my lord, petitioner 2 is the eldest, the son of the petitioner number 1. He can appear, my lord, in the mediation. That observation may, on behalf of all, my lord, petitioner number 2 can appear.
All of them are a party, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But that's okay.
5 petitioners are there. Petitioner 1 is the mother and 2 to 5 are the brothers and sisters.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the matter may be sent for mediation. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since the petition number 1 is already aged 70 years, she may not be able to appear before the mediators, but her interest can be looked into by the other petitioners.
My lord, for all, my lord, petitioner number 2 will appear.
Especially petitioner number 2. In view of above, let the matter be listed will be placed before the mediation center on priority basis for further necessary action. It's
Obliged.
yes. No one? Madam, you are filing affidavit?
No, Lordship.
Why?
And our instruction is already yet to be yet awaited, Lordship. I want to file my affidavit within 10 days.
Okay, further, none appears for the petitioner on the matter is called. As paid for by Miss S. What? Lanet. You are for which respondent?
I'm for 1 and 2, Lordship.
It's not a standing council limited education department, preparing for respondent numbers 1 and 2. Further, how much time?
10 days, Lordship.
Further 2 weeks time is granted. To obtain instructions and to file contract with them. List again after 2 weeks, so a date will be expired in list.
Lordship, refer this matter to the mediation.
Refer. Your good name?
A. Molla on behalf of R. Islam.
Mr. A.S. Mullah, Lanet Council appears on behalf of Mr. R. Islam, the Learned Council for the petitioner. He does, appears for the department.
I'm B. Sharma, correspondent number 4, accountant.
Also, Mr. B. Sharma, Learned. Customer appears for the EGSR. You are for that?
I'm appearing for 1, 2, and 5.
Private counsel correspondent. Counsel for the parties.
Affidavit is not filed here.
Which are the matter will be referred.
Upon instruction.
Still to place the matter before the
To actually mediation and going analysis.
priority basis. Upon necessary activity. Yes.
Deeply offense.
None appears for the petitioner of the matter scored. Realms of justice. This the matter in after 2 weeks.
This matter pertaining to my lord gratuity payment and area salary of this petitioner. Petitioner retired on 2016, my lord. The respondent authority, my lord, till today, my lord, not released, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, there is a request for 2 more weeks for filing affidavit. Actually, Lordship, there is an attempt by the parties to solve the issue amicably. So because of that, we are actually getting late to file the affidavit. So now council demands for 2 weeks or
You want
filing affidavit.
2 weeks for affidavit. Can it be referred to the mediation?
My lord.
No, Lordship.
Sorry?
No, Lordship.
1 or 2 occasions petitioners was called by the respondent authority, my lord. Then I have submitted my all document to respondent authority also. Then they said that later they will call us, my lord, but
Should we refer it for mediation?
No, Lordship.
No.
There is no direction.
There is no direction. What do you mean?
Yes.
We'll direct? No.
yes, my lord. That may be for one time, maybe refer if the matter does not solve, my lord, then again come back. My lord. Because my lord, respondent authority called the petitioner, my lord, and he has also submitted all the document to the respondent authority. On 26 June, my lord.
Parties are represented by the respective councils. And the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter may be sent for mediation. Considering the submission, registry to place the matter before the mediation center on priority basis for the necessary action.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the respondents were directed to file affidavit on the earlier occasion.
Well, here, well, my instruction received from the authorities that
Yes.
But- Lordship may kindly peruse the order, my lord, the order which is alleged to have been violated, my lord.
Page 11.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Open to me. Lordship. Page 11, no? The lordship has remanded the matter, para 5, my lord. In view of the above, the matter is remanded to the district level committee for reconsideration for examining availability of vacancy in other departments at the relevant period as provided under para 15 of the OM, dated 1/6/2015, which exercise shall be undertaken within a period of 3 months. But in fact, the instructions which is given to me, my lord, by the earlier incumbent, that they are collecting the information from all the departments, and since all the information has not come, they could not fix the date for holding the departmental the district level committee meeting. On last occasion, they informed me that in the month of August they proposed to hold the meeting, but same thing, my lord, they have said that the information still are awaited. That is why they could not hold, and in the meantime, my lord, the office memorandum has come from the government. Well, that is why the meeting could not be held, and as regard the affidavit, filing of the affidavit, my lord, the incumbent for whom, my lord, I find the Wakalatnama is no longer there. I find it difficult to file the affidavit on his behalf. Nothing to Ganesan. Take it come, I will. Correct. Some time may be given, my lord. The meeting, they are proposing to hold the meeting after getting the information, my lord. I'll get the information, I'll place the instruction, my lord. Otherwise, for filing affidavit, this person is no longer holding the post of district commissioner, Highlight and Develop.
It is by name only. So let him file.
It is by name, my lord.
Let him file by name. We're not saying that the district commissioner should file.
But she has been transferred long back, my lord.
Where?
After that, my lord, she joined there's district commissioner Kamrup, then now commissioner PNRD.
Maybe, but she can still file.
Well, the recent steps, whatever has been taken, she's not aware of that. Because these steps are being taken now to hold the meeting. Well,
Correct. So that is why whatever you're aware of, you show that by way of an affidavit.
well,
Because every time something will happen, now the present incumbent is impleaded, supposing.
the up-to-date.
Tomorrow, that present incumbent also will go somewhere else. He will say, I don't know what has happened now.
Well,
So that way, the incumbents will keep on going, coming and going. How long should that go on?
if lordship kindly permits.
Order was dated 2019.
19.
Yes.
So during our tenure as district commissioner, what did she do? That should be placed on affidavit.
That one I can.
Isn't it, Mr. Nath?
That
Otherwise,
I will take up. And also, my lord, lordship may kindly, my lord, consider the present incumbent, from the present incumbent to the up-to-date position, what they have done, that I will place in the form of an instruction. I'll place that. Because the DLC has to be held by them now. And whatever the present incumbent has done, the deputy commissioner in his official capacity, from him, I'll get it later, and the instruction I'll place.
you do that.
That
Whatever.
I'll place.
But we require this lady also to file an affidavit.
Lordship.
Mr. Deenad Learned, counsel appears for the respondent and submits that the respondent is no longer the deputy commissioner, come chairman of the district selection committee, Hailakandi. Stop, however, the fact remains that the order of this court is dated 9/9/2019. And what steps the respondent had taken during her tenure has to be informed to the court by way of an affidavit. Accordingly, respondent is granted 2 weeks' time to file such an affidavit. Liberty is also granted to Mr. Deenad to produce the latest updates in the compliance of the court's direction. The petitioner is also given liberty to implead the new incumbent by filing appropriate application.
Lordship, I am praying for a specific date after 2 weeks, my lord.
You file some application. You are also to take steps, isn't it?
Yes,
In 2020, you write some name and till 2025, you don't do anything about it. People have come and gone.
I'll take it, madam.
List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
In this matter, we have take the instruction that the process for the graphic finalization of the area is going on because the principal has sent the statement. So we need 2 weeks time. November 24 only principal has provided us the statement. The very 3rd is looks.
How much time?
2 weeks, that's it. Not after vacation.
Lordship only grant 2 weeks time, my lord, because already 120 weeks already gone, lordship, after issue of notice. Notice was issued on, my lord, 29/4/2023, lordship. Now more than 120 weeks. Only 2 weeks time may be given.
Forwarded us only in the November 2024 statements.
The last rules.
Mr. K.R. Patgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the higher education department submits that. I'm sorry. Mr. A.R. Tahvildar, learned standing counsel, higher education department, submits that he has been instructed to seek for some more time since the verification and finalization of the area. This is area salary.
Is under verification, lordship.
Area
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
area salary is going on. Stop. In this regard, the learned counsel has produced the communication dated 4/9/2025, written by the Deputy Director of Higher Education. Stop. On the other hand, Mr.
D. Gogol, lordship.
D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that sufficient time has been granted to the respondents since issuance of notice on 29/4/2022. And therefore, a short time may be granted. Next para, considering the submissions made by the parties, 2 weeks' time is granted.
3 weeks, lordship.
Why?
Yes, lordship.
To the department for coming up with the latest position. This matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Obliged, lordship.
21, 24.
May I please, your lordship.
Lordship, may kindly take up this matter after some time, lordship.
Why?
I am for item number 21, Lordship.
Why after some time?
Because my senior C is on her legs in court number 2, Lordship. One matter is going on, Lordship. After that,
What is the matter? Why is it listed today?
Because of the IA, Lordship.
I is forward.
I want the reservation for certain posts, and this advertisement is different and the
11 posts.
petition is from different. Subsequent advertisement was there,
No, I is forward.
I for reserving few posts on that particular advertisement.
11 posts, my lord. My lord, my senior will apprise your Lordship, my lord, after some time, kindly, Lordship.
What post is this?
My lord, I'm appearing in item 22 and 23.
Hmm.
Basically, it's an appointment in the upper primary and lower primary school, teacher's appointment, my lord.
Hmm.
So in that case, already appointment has been made, violating the rules of the game. Basically, there was some qualification required in the advertisement, but they have not followed it. And this candidate has been rejected on that ground, my lord. On a subsequent ground, which has been developed.
But this I is something different, Mala. I is on the subsequent advertisement, he wants reservation in another advertisement. Lordship will turn to page number 215. Here itself is the two subsequent advertisement.
Why is the ISO bulky?
Mala, these are large number of petitioners, Mala.
Huh?
Large number of.
These are
petitioners,
basically names, isn't it?
names, basically names, it's the.
How many names are there?
More than
500.
513. Petitions start, main petitions start from page number 209, man. And fair is in 215, man. They want the reservation, that petitioners want that the post should be kept vacant against the subsequent advertisement. Cannot be, they have not challenged the subsequent advertisement.
Have you filed an objection?
No, this is the first time it has come.
You file objection.
The second time.
Not it, allows I can find objection.
What about the-
Not even maintainable.
What about the other writ petitions?
Other writ petition of affidavit even filed.
No, my lord.
Except, my lord.
22.
Except, no, 22.
22.
22. Because some additional information is required, so that affidavit not been filed. Rest all affidavit have been filed. Even today,
So the affidavit filed in the other writ petitions will not cover the case in item 22 also?
no, it will be. Not
They're all clubbed together because
then,
there's.
Then also it will, because this rejection may be on certain different ground. So it will
My
not
lord,
cover.
the advertisement is same, but the ground of
Rejection
rejections
is
are
different.
simply different.
So that affidavit should come.
Today, this matter has been listed
For the-
because
for
of
the
the IA.
IA.
May I submit
So-
one thing, my lord? Kindly, my lord, your lordship, may I take up this matter as last item, my lord, kindly, my lord.
No, that is okay. Even if you take up last item, what will happen?
Yes.
If the other side objects to it, then let them file objection.
I am facing this.
We'll give a short date.
What's it?
Where is the prayer portion? What do they?
215 onwards. Here it says is clear, my lord, against two subsequent advertisement. And these advertisements are not challenged, my lord. That moment the another two advertisement has come, they want that the post should be kept vacant.
What is the advertisement date?
My lord, advertisement is dated 26/2025.
And
21.
both are two
Both advertisements.
two advertisements.
Two advertisements. Subsequent, not related to this batch of petitions.
To keep vacant 11 posts,
Yes, ma'am.
9 posts in Boro medium,
Yeah, this
one upper primary arts,
lower primary, 2 in Assamese medium. These are the posts, they want 11 posts to be kept vacant.
it's more than 11,
More than 11,
9, 10, how many?
I will come with the reply, my lord, because this subsequent advertisement, he cannot even file a IA for this, for keeping that post in vacant. My lord. If they are
No.
challenging a different
come to page 215.
215,
It says 11 posts,
11 posts.
but the breakup is 9 plus 1 only.
No, Mr. Breakup is 9, which is specifically 9 in Bodo medium, 1 in upper primary arts, 8 in lower primary, 2 in Assamese medium, lower primary. Ultimately, it comes up to 20.
20.
20.
So something wrong here.
Here also there is error.
Kindly, after some time, my lord, kindly, she's coming, my lord.
She's coming means who?
My
Who is
senior,
he?
my senior, my lord, B. Huyan.
All right, let her come.
My lord, for the other method, that may be fixed, my lord.
Fine.
For the other methods.
We'll see. This,
Option has
they're
to
all
take
clubbed
up to
together.
be
What to
done.
do? They're all clubbed together. What
All
to do?
together.
How much time should you require for filing objection to this?
Lordship, at least 10 days time, because I have to send it and they will check it up and then, because this has to be sent to the authority, madam.
And who are the applicants? They're not a party to the other petitions.
No, the applicants are in the item number 21. These are the person who are applicant. Item 20.
Item
this is the
21.
Connection
Yes,
to item
ma'am.
21.
How many of them are there in item 21?
16.
No, but the applicant in item 21, they are more than how many?
Till 16 applicant, my lord.
Oh, these are respondents,
Yes,
510
There is
respondents.
some respondent.
500 some.
The persons who have already been appointed.
I see. I thought they were the
They,
applicants.
they should also get the notice. If such an application has been filed, they should also get the notice from it. And there are some of the appointed respondents are, they have also have to also need to get the time to respond also.
16 applicants.
16 applicants.
These applicants are petitioners also.
Yes,
Yes.
my lord.
In which, what is the writ petition?
That is his petition number
4769.
769 of 24. Anyway, my lordship have to give time to respond to this petition. To the official respondent as well as the private respondents.
But what will happen to the private respondents? So many of them.
But private respondents, there are some of them are represented here.
My lord may take up after some
some time,
time,
my lord.
it will resolve all the issues, my lord.
Okay.
Publish.
And the last occasion, your lordship directed the petitioner to prepare a cert against a question where I was not given adequate marks in terms of this honorable court's order, my lord. I have file an additional affidavit. And List 91, question which were not evaluated by the examiners, 7 marks. And question against which 0 marks or 19 marks.
How many questions?
Group C, there was not a single marks were awarded to me. And in group A, there are 2, 3 questions that was not evaluated by the examiner, even after rechecking. In our affidavit, page 91. addition-
No, what is the question for which marks has not been given to you? Question number 4,
Yes, Malad. 16,
then 6A, 2 and 3.
yes, Malad. 16 call 4, 6A. 7 marks that the questions were never examined by the examiner.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior had to leave early due to some difficulties.
Huh?
My senior had to leave early due to some.
Who's your senior?
Institute.
He is appearing for whom?
They are the main party, Malad. Seba.
Seba?
Yes.
Now, Assam State School Education Board
Hmm.
that has been renamed as Assam State School Education.
Yes.
On Monday, my lord, then.
Lordship, kindly give us next date, after 16, because my senior will be out of station for 10 days.
Then before vacation, my lord.
When is he coming back?
On 6, he will be, leaving, so for 10 days, he'll be out of station. Kindly after 16.
When? 17, 18,
18.
18? Thursday? Mr. T.C. Chudi Alanet, Standing Counsel, Seba. He says to have some personal difficulties to appear before the court. And on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Is this matter on 18th of September?
Additional affidavit has been filed that may be reflected. To the morning that has been
Hmm.
called for.
It is here. It is seen that the petitioner has also filed additional affidavit.
On 2/9.
In terms of the order dated 7/8/23.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
These 4 items are of similar nature, Milan.
Mhm.
That is regarding the selection process which was not done according to the terms and condition of the advertisement. Milan.
Mhm.
If your lordship comes to order dated 22/5/2023, Milan, of this honorable court, Milan.
$25.
Yes, yes, 22/5/2023, Milan. Order of this honorable court, Milan. Paragraph 8, there was a direction to the Director of Higher Education, Milan, to consider our representation along with the consideration of the selection process, Milan. And it was directed that whatever has been done, the report is to be made before this honorable court, Milan. And immediately after this order, Milan, on 24th of that month, we have submitted the second representation, Milan, which is also pending before the Director of Higher Education, Milan. Till today, that is not disposed of. So that was the direction of this honorable court, Milan. I'm just bringing to the notice of this honorable court so that the fair justice may come up, Milan. Now, the bone of contention is, Milan, as per the advertisement, the terms and conditions which were set forth, Milan, there was no condition, there was no term that after the interview, they will have to appear for the computer typing process, Milan. But then some of them have been given the call letter, but some of them had been called by telephone, Milan, and there was no letter that was communicated to them. Anyway, Milan, as per the direction, they have appeared for the interview, Milan, and they were not at all aware of that the computer test will be there. Milan, thereafter, Milan, when they raised protest, Milan, as because it is not there, so they should be exempted from the computer testing process, Milan. But that was not done by the authority, college authority, Milan. Rather, in the computer testing, Milan, that was done, and the blank papers they got it signed from the petitioners, and that was not at all properly done in that matter, Milan. Another important thing is, Milan, as per the advertisement, as because this was not the condition, Milan, then they should not have held the written after written examination, they should not have conducted the typewriting and other things, Milan. The rule that is set forth by the government is quite clear, Milan. I'll bring to the notice of your lordship. This is, Milan, the Assam Public Service Direct Recruitment to Class 3 and Malat, in the new book, it is page number 121. Assam Service Manual.
What is the name of the rules?
Rule is the Assam Public Services Direct Recruitment to Class 3 and Class 4 Post Rules 1997.
Yes, and what is the relevant rule?
Relevant rule is clause 3, Milan. Below that here, Milan. There is a direction how to conduct the entire process of selection, Milan. It is the rule is here set forth, Milan. Sub rule 3, Milan.
Sub rule 3 of which rule?
Rule 5, Milan. The administrative department
Yes.
The administrative department shall issue instructions on the following, namely, the minimum essential qualification for direct recruitment of the post or post and the age limit of the candidates. Second, B, Miller, the minimum essential experience, if any, for the post or post. The third condition, Milan, whether there will be written test, and if so, the name of the papers and the maximum marks for each paper. D, Milan, whether there will be typing test, and if so, the maximum marks of the typing test, and whether there will be interview, and if so, the maximum marks for the interview, Milan. That is mandatory, Milan. It is Director of Higher Education and all administrative officer is to give the details about it and also the papers of the written examination. And if the typing test is there, even marks should be provided therein.
So there is typing test after all.
Yes. It is as per the instruction of the administrative officer, my lord. This is the rule, my lord. But then going contrary to the rule, my lord, the response number 3, namely response number 3 and response number 5 and the governing body selection committee, my lord, they have determined it, my lord. They have admitted in their affidavit, my lord. If your lordship comes to their affidavit, response number 3 and response number 5 at page 26, my lord, the main part of it is, my lord, in paragraph 4, my lord, at page 27 of the affidavit by respondent number 3 and 5. no?
This is by respondent number 2.
Respondent number 3, my lord. Respondent number 3 and 5, my lord. It is at the,
Which paragraph number?
my lord, paragraph 4 of this respondent number 3 and 5 affidavit, my lord.
Yes,
May I read, my lord?
yes.
That with regard to the statements made in paragraph 4 of the writ petition, the answering deponent begs to state that an advertisement was issued on 12/8/2022 for recruitment of grade 4 post at Bausi Banikanto Kapoti College. The said advertisement was issued in pursuance to Director of Higher Education letter dated 25/4/2022, numbered as so and so, Miller. In this regard, the meeting of the selection committee was held on 28/12/2022, wherein it was decided for the recruitment of the aforesaid post, the latest guidelines would be followed. Further, as per the Government of Assam notification regard to the recruitment of grade 4 post, the committee decided to allot 50 marks for written test, 10 marks for typing test, and 5 marks for interview, totaling 65 marks. In the said meeting, it was also decided that the written test, typing test, and the interview will be conducted on 4/1/2023 at 11 a.m. So that is quite contrary to the rule I have read before your lordship, that how the selection committee can decide when there is a statutory rule which specifically speaks about that if you are to hold the written test, what are the papers, what are the marks, total marks that will be awarded to, and also the interview. And if the typing test is done, then in that case, what will be the marks that will be allotted to me?
What was that provision you are relying upon?
Yes, sir. It was clause 5, subclause 3, Miller,
Of?
of the Assam Public Services Direct Recruitment to Class 3 and Class 4 Post Rules, 1997.
What was the page number?
Page number, Miller, if it is new edition, Miller, it is page 121 of the service manual.
The administrative department, it says.
Yes, Milan.
Who is the administrative department?
Administrative department of the government, Milan.
Who is that? Which
That
is?
is director of higher education.
Oh, the general administrative department.
Oh, sorry, it is general administrative department of the government, Milan. Sorry. General administrative department of the government.
From where do you get that? Administrative department means general administration department.
General administration department, Milan. My lord,
No, from where do you get that?
there is a notification of the 30th January 2012, Milan, at page 120, Milan. That notification is there. That in suppression of the earlier notification number so and so, that is 5/11/2011, the governor of Assam is pleased to notify. My lord, sorry, Milan, the notification dated 3rd February 2016, Milan.
Page 122.
My lord, immediately after subclause 3, my lord, I have read, below that there is another notification, Mr. Government of Assam, General Administrative Department B, Dispur, Guwahati, my lord. Regarding minimum education qualification for different posts of grade 4 is the amalgamated establishment of the Deputy Commissioner of others, my lord. The selection procedure and other things are mentioned there.
So this only prescribes the educational qualification,
The
Class-
other things are also there, my lord.
class 8 pass and class 4 pass.
Yes, yes. Miller, the subclause 3 clarifies about the detailed process of selection, Miller. Different stages of selection and how the marks are to be awarded, what are the papers?
Which subclause 3?
Yes, Miller. Subclause 3 of clause 5, Miller. At page 121, Miller. The administrative departments shall issue instruction on the following.
Yes, following ABCD is there.
Yes, ABCD, Miller.
Below
So-
that, one notification is there by the GAD.
Yes, Miller.
It only gives for
That is
the
only for education qualification.
class
So-
8 and class 4 pass. That's all.
Yes, Miller. That is modified, Miller, 2009. But then
Below that, my lord, there is a selection procedure.
selection procedure is also
Six.
there, Miller.
Hmm.
Clause 6, Miller.
Five is regarding constitution of selection committee,
Miller.
generally.
6 is relating to selection procedure, Miller.
6 is selection procedure.
Yes, Miller. Miller, there in subclause 2, Miller, the selection shall be made on the basis of the merit by taking into account the performance of the written test, typing test, and interview with reference to the mode of selection as laid down by the government instruction issued by the administrative department under the provisions of the sub-rule 3 of rule 5, Miller, above rule, sub-rule 3, Miller.
Yes. So this has not been done.
This has not been done and
Instead,
so much.
it is the what? Selection committee.
Yes, it has been done by the selection committee as Milan in their affidavit in respondent 3 and 4, 3 and 5 Milan, in para 4 Milan. They have made a statement, Milon, operative, main part Milon has
But,
placed 20
but what do you mean by selection committee?
Selection committee is constituted by the governing body, Milon. And
This is a post under which establishment?
it is in a college, Milon,
College,
a college, Milon. Degree college, Milon,
degree college.
degree college.
If you come to page 118 of this book,
Milon.
Constitution of Selection Committee,
Yes, Milon.
it says there shall be constituted different selection committees for selecting candidates for class 3 and class 4 posts in different offices of the state,
Yes, Milon.
for which no service rules or executive orders are in existence and are not within the purview of the commission. Which one is relevant in your case?
Milon, here, the selection committee of the college, Milon, it is to be constituted according to the mandate of this rule, Milon. But then that is not empowered to take the place of the administrative officer, Milon. The direction must be from the GAD specifying what are the papers on written test, what the mark will be awarded, how the interview will be held, what is the total mark allotted therein, and if there is a typing clause, then in that case, what will be the marks that is allotted to typing?
Yes.
Malad, if your lordship comes to the affidavit by respondent number 3 and 5, Milon, is page 38 and 39, Milon.
No, let us understand your case first. We'll come to
Malad.
the affidavit later on.
Malad, my simple submission before your lordship is that once there is an advertisement, unless there is a corrigendum to that effect, Milon, that continues, that stands, Milon.
Okay.
And
So where's the advertisement for me?
advertisement is page
Page?
16 and 17 of the our writ petition, Milon.
Yes, this is grade 4 post.
Get for post. Milon. This is the type copy of the original one, Milon, that was not legible. That's why this is made in type form. Milon.
Yes.
It is speaking about that in pursuance of this is so and so, notice dated so and so Kahlipura, 25th of April 22, applications are invited along with complete biodata, mobile number, email, mandatory, and self-attested testimonies eligible for eligible candidate to direct recruitment of the vacant sanctioned post of grade 4 on Bauchi Banikanto Kakoti College, Nagaon, Borpeta Milon. The posts are as under Milon. The first post is your roster point Milon. There are two posts Milon. Roster point is shown there in the advertisement. Then one post of the that is reserved, that is shown to be reserved
Okay,
for.
you can skip all that.
Yes. Yes,
Now,
it
what is the educational qualification?
Yes, Milon.
Class 8 pass.
Class 8 pass. Milon.
Then,
Then there age is also mentioned there in Milan. But then in that advertisement, Milan, there is no conditions for written test and other test, Milan. This is the advertisement, Milan.
so how is the selection going to happen?
Milan, selection process has gone contrary to the mandate of the advertisement, Milan.
Yes, as per the advertisement,
Yes, Milan.
how is the selection to be done?
The selection was to be done as per the advertisement conditions, Milan. Conditions are set forth in that advertisement.
Yes, what is that?
Milan, this space. Yes, annexure 1 Milan. Education qualification class 8 pass. Age of the candidate should not be more than 40 years, with relation to 5A SC/ST. The candidate must have permanent residence certificate and proficiency in local language, and in-service candidate must apply through proper channel with NOC. Application must reach the undersigned on 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement with a refundable demand draft of 300 rupees for grade 4, drawn in favor of the principal, Bauchi Banikanto Kakoti College, Nagaon, payable on the Union Bank. The candidate must apply in Assam Gazette standard form of application. Incomplete applications will be summarily rejected. No excuse of postal delay or something like that, because that is the total conditions of the advertisement. In this connection,
So what I was indicating is any process. These are basically to produce your documents and all that only.
My lord.
Permanent residence certificate, NOC and all that, etc.
But that's
No,
subsequently.
there is no selection. There's no test.
Yes, as per this advertisement, there is no test.
No test.
As per the advertisement, conditions of the advertisement, Milan.
So this advertisement has been issued under what provision?
The advertisement was issued by the governing body, Milan, to suit the requirement of the vacancies.
By
Milan,
following,
that was
by following what provision?
2009 notification, Milan.
What is that? 2009 notification.
Yes, Milan. This is for the selection procedure, Milan. That is notification. The number, the selection procedure, Milan. Item 6, Milan. Clause 6 of the at page 122, Milan. When there is a there are vacancies, Milan, they are to go for recruitment process, my lord, through advertisement.
Which clause 6?
This is clause 6 of the notification, my lord, at just after, just below the clause, subclause 3 of clause 5, my lord, at page 122. Notification, Government of Assam, General Administrative Department, this full, my lord.
Yes.
There is the qualifications that I am directed to say that as per Rule 5(3) of the Assam Public Services Direct Recruitment to Class 3 and Class 4 Post Rules 1997, published by notification dated 1/8/97, the Government of Assam, the General Administration Department prescribed the minimum educational qualification for different posts of grade 4 under the amalgamated establishment of the Deputy Commissioner as is follows.
Yes, class 8, class 4, that's all.
Yes, yes.
So how they will choose?
No,
How they will say, how they will select?
they will select by the selection process, Miller.
So what is that process? How they will, what is the process?
My lord, the selection process is, my lord, they have to go with this administrative department's instruction, which is a mandatory, my lord, that the minimum essential qualification of the recruitment for the post and the age limit of the candidates, that is to be determined by the administrative department of the government, my lord. Secondly, the minimum essential experience, if any, for the post, that is also a condition, my lord. The third condition is whether there will be written test, and if so, the name of the papers and the maximum marks for each paper. That is referred to in this notification, my lord.
That is not there in the advertisement.
That is not there in the advertisement, my lord. And there is no corrigendum at all, my lord, to that effect, my lord.
But how do you select a candidate by this advertisement?
No, my lord, there should have been a content of this, my lord, with reference to this. There shouldn't the conditions which are.
You submit your application and your testimonials and they will just choose you or what, like that?
Yes, yes, that is the advertisement. The advertisement should have contained all these things, my lord. That
So
was
there'll
not
be there'll be no selection process then.
No, as per the advertisement that was published, my lord.
Whoever they find is according to their liking, they'll choose them, that's all.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, to substantiate my submission before your lordship, the Honorable Apex Court has settled the matter number of times, but then recently in 2025 SCC Online 280, my lord,
Yes, what does it say?
it says that the advertisement, if your lordship comes to paragraph 18 of that,
See, only thing is that advertisement does not say anything regarding how selection is to be done.
yes, my lord.
So
That
that
should
is
have
why,
contained-
how do you choose any successful candidate? Supposing you want to appoint 5 grade 4,
No, as
fill
your
up 5
lordship
grade
has
4
said,
posts.
as your lordship has said, as those conditions which are mandatory to be obtained from the administrative department, so that the advertisement should contain all these, and it should be publicly known to candidates so that they can come prepared for that. And that is not there in the advertisement, my lord. So that assumes that
So this advertisement is not only for the petitioners, it's for everybody.
it's for everybody, my lord, that should have been a public, it should have been in the advertisement, those conditions which are set forth and which is mandatory from the General Administrative Department, and the college authority has to follow it. But that has not been followed, my lord.
But in the affidavit, they say,
No, they said that the selection committee has decided to allocate marks on that. Well, what is the basis, Miller?
No, if they don't allot marks, how will they choose?
My submission to your lordship is that your advertisement should have contained.
I
all-
understand, I understand
That is the mandate. Miller.
Advertisement doesn't contain that.
Doesn't contain that.
So if it's not there, then
Yes.
how to choose anybody at all?
No,
How can you choose anybody?
no, that is the point.
They will
Miller.
just submit an application form and their OBC certificate or whatever NOC. And on that basis, they look at that and pick and choose anybody they want.
No, but then they cannot ignore the direction, mandatory direction of the administrative authority, Miller, which they have not shown in there. And they have said that the selection committee has decided this criteria that for this mark, for this mark, for this mark.
That is
Which
why,
the selection committee is not at all authorized, Miller.
no, that is why I was
It is
saying,
statutory rule, Miller.
that is why I was saying, as per this 1997 rules,
Yes,
there is a composition of selection committee.
yes.
And the selection committee, what can they do, what they cannot do has been given here.
But then
So
they have
this is,
already,
this is where they have derived
no,
their
that-
authority.
That is there, Milan. And another point is, as the selection process was not appropriate, Milan, three of the members of the governing body, Milan, they have lodged complaint against the selection process to the Director of Higher Education, Milan, who were also sitting in that governing body's meeting, Milan.
Is it on record?
It is on record, Milan.
Where?
If your lordship comes to page 22 of our petition, Milan, writ petition.
This is annexed to the writ petition.
Yes, Milan, the annexure 3.
What do they say to this?
They have said that the process of selection was not done as per law.
No, the reply to this by the respondents. Affidavit filed or not?
They have filed the affidavit, but then
And what do they say on this?
they do not specifically say anything.
Annexure 3, isn't it?
Annexure 3 of our writ petition.
And it is against which paragraph?
Huh? Your lordship comes to, if your lordship,
Paragraph 7.
yes, yes. They are the members of the governing body, Milan.
They submitted joint application.
Yes, Milan.
Joint application means what? It's not a complaint.
Yes, yes, complaint, they have signed the signature, they have put their signature jointly, Milan. The Director of Higher Education is also not referring to this, Milan.
Oh, what kind of affidavit is this?
My lord, may I just state, my lord, my affidavit. I am for the respondent number 3 and 5. The allegations which you have laid down,
Who is that? 3 and 5?
my lord, the principal of the college and the governing body, man.
Yes.
My lord, sir, apna phone. Sir,
Let him explain.
Yes.
my lord, first of all, my lord may go through my affidavit in opposition once, my lord.
No, you tell me the story first.
Yes,
Advertisement is floated
yes,
saying certificate given, OBC, you give all this, all that.
yes, ma'am.
How do you intend to select the candidates?
Yeah, we tend to select them by the OM, my lord, 2009. My lord may have this,
OM?
yeah, yes, my lord.
my lord, the book which my lord was holding, there was,
Not the same book.
yes, my lord, but I have an old version. My
Oh,
lord,
that's the old version. Okay.
yeah, but page one,
What is the name of the rules?
I'll have, my lord may come to page 122.
What is the name of the rules?
Page 122, my lord, it will be Assam Public Service Direct Recruitment to Class 3 and Class 4 Post Rules 1997.
This is applicable.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner also says this is applicable.
Yes, my lord, but
There's no dispute about it.
yes, there is one dispute which I'll explain to it, my lord.
Ah.
What has happened, my lord may see, my lord may first come to Constitution of Selection Committee. That is at 118.
Yes.
Now, my lord sees there shall be a constituted different selection committee for selecting the candidates of class 3 and class 4 in different offices of the state for which no service rule or executive orders are in existence and are not within the purview of the commission as stated herein below. Now, my lord may see A. Selection committee for the post of district level officers, divisional level officers, below district level officers. Then there is B. Selection committee for the post under the deputy commissioner of district. Then C. Selection committee for the post of office of the heads of department. And there is nothing with education department. For that, my lord, there is this education manual which we go for, where there is a selection committee. Yes. My lord may go to Assam College Employees Provincialization Rules 2010. Page 500, my lord.
What is this? Assam College Employees?
Provincialization Rules 2010.
Okay.
Now, my lord may see
Rule.
Selection Committee, Departmental Promotion Committee.
Rule.
Rule 10.
Selection Committee Department. Yes.
Page 500, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. 499 is the selection, and my lord may see at B. Committee for selection of candidate for appointment of direct recruitment of all other posts shall consist of the following.
All
President of the governing body.
No. All other posts means what?
My lord at top, my lord may see committee for selecting of candidate for appointment on direct recruitment of lecturers and librarians shall consist of the following.
Lecturers and librarians. And apart
Yes.
from this, the remaining is
After that, all other posts.
all other posts.
Yes.
Okay.
Who are not lecturers or librarians.
Okay.
So that would include now where we get the power is from the letter which I'll come to in the affidavit which I've annexed, my lord.
No, please complete this.
Yes. So, my lord, committee for selection of candidates for appointment of direct recruitment of all other posts shall consist of the following. President of the governing body, secretary of the governing body, 2 heads of the department to be nominated by the president of the governing body, my lord. So this is the selection committee, my lord.
How many? 4 of them.
4 of them, my lord. Total 2, 3, 4 years, my lord. 4 of them.
And so what has happened in this case?
Now, my lord, may just my affidavit in opposition, my lord. I think running page will be page 41.
There are double pagination.
My lord,
Affidavit of 3 and 5.
yes, 3 and 5, my lord, page 41.
Paragraph.
Wait.
5.
Yes, the annexure attached to it, my lord.
Paragraph 5
Yes, my lord.
is at page 40. In my copy.
My lord, then there's a page 41. The 20th July 2022 letter.
Yes,
Yes.
that is there.
Yes, my lord. My lord, with reference to the subject cited above,
Huh? You're reading that letter?
Yes, my lord.
Where is it?
My lord, 20th July 2022, page 41.
Annexure 3 or what?
It'll, my lord, it will be annexure 3 years.
Hmm.
Annexure. Page 41. My lord, may get it?
Yes.
Yes. 20th July 2022, my lord, at top the later.
Yes.
Yes. With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to inform you, Government of Assam in Higher Education Department is allowed to continue the guidelines issued number so and so dated 18 May 2017 for selection of grade 3 and grade 4 posts in so and so. In respect of Provincialization College, the college which we are, for selection of grade 4 posts, notification number GAD 1992085 dated 30th January 2009 issued by GAD department is hereby allowed to follow.
No, I have not seen that
My lord,
particular annexure.
my lord. Page 41, my lord.
From where are you reading that?
My lord, Rahul, my lord is on Rahul Pathak's affidavit 2565.
No, this is by Pradeep Das.
Yes, my lord, by Pradeep Das. The petitioner's name is Rahul Pathak, my lord.
Of course,
Yes, my
I'm-
lord, then
I'm asking you about that annexure which you just read.
yes, my lord, that is page 41, my lord. Page 41.
No. Date 28th
28th July 2022.
28th July 2022.
Yes, my lord.
This
There
is
are two letters of 20th July 2022. First is from Sri Dharma Kalita.
Yes.
The second, my lord, from Sri Mati Kavita Deka ACS.
You have read from that one, Kavita.
Kavita Deka, yes, my
Oh,
lord.
that's why.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, what's the page number one?
That is page number, I don't know, it's all cancelled. Written.
41, my lord.
It says 53.
Okay.
16 was cancelled, 2 was there cancelled, 41 is also cancelled.
Okay.
Now it says 53.
My lord, I apologize, my lord, maybe. My lord, with reference, may I read again, my lord?
And what annexure is this supposed to be?
This is annexure 3, my lord.
No, page 52 is also annexure 3. This is from Dharma Kanta.
Yes, my lord. Both letters I have annexed as one.
Why?
Because, my
They are
lord,
different.
yeah, they are two different, my lord, but
Only the date is same, that's
yes,
all.
Yes, but the contents of the letters and are same. It's just only with Provincialization College, this thing is mentioned, my lord. That is why I'm referring to, my lord. May I refer, my lord? May I read, my lord?
It's not so legible also. Please read again with
Yes, my
reference.
lord.
With
With
reference
reference to the subject cited above,
Hmm.
I am directed to inform you, Government of Assam in Higher Education Department is selected to allow to
No, is pleased to allow.
pleased to allow to continue the guidelines issued by number so and so dated 18 May 2017, 2017, annexure 1 for selection of grade 3, grade 4 posts in Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay so and so Mahavidyalaya in respect to Provincialization College, which we are, for selection of grade 4 post, notification number so and so dated 30th January 2009 issued by GAD department is hereby allowed to follow.
Where is that?
Now, my lord, the book which my lord is holding, and even it is there in the annexures also. This will be the last annexure.
Where is the 30th January?
Yes, my lord. That is a page next. The next page, my lord. The next page. The next page of
In the affidavit?
yes, the next page. My lord may see CAG B 199 2008 5 dated 30th January 2009.
Correct.
Regarding minimum educational qualification for different posts of grade 4 in an amalgamated establishment of deputy commissioner.
Okay, all
Yes.
that it provides is regarding class 8, class 4, that's all.
Yes, then selection procedure. The
This,
selection shall be made by the aforementioned selection committee.
no, selection procedure comes differently.
Yes, that comes from the.
How do you read it together?
Yes, my lord. So now we are allowed to follow the minimum qualification. Now, when with regard to the rules, may I come in, my lord?
No, see, please
Yes.
answer my query.
Yes, my lord.
You have read this letter saying that we have been allowed to follow the 30th January 2009.
Yes, my lord.
So when we look at 30th January 2009,
Yes, my lord.
all that it is provided is regarding the educational qualification of class 8 and class 4.
Yes, my lord.
Nothing beyond that.
Yes, absolutely right, my lord.
Then you,
Yes.
again, you continue to read selection procedure.
Yes, because my lord.
Selection procedure is something else.
Yes, my lord. That is what I was coming to, my lord. My lord may come back to this 122 page number ones of the book.
One 122, yes.
My lord, the page 115, the act starts from page 115.
Of course, it starts there.
Yes.
Then,
So my lord may see the short title definition,
hmm,
application, direct recruitment,
hmm,
constitution of selection committee.
hmm.
Because we are educational department, we follow the selection committee that is given to by the education manual because we are a provincialized college.
Hmm.
That's what I read to my lord. Then comes the selection procedure.
Hmm.
Because it is a general administrative department and it's a grade 3, grade 4 post and it's under the government of Assam. The selection procedure we have to follow by this.
Yeah.
So the selection shall be made by the above mentioned selection committee. Our selection committee is by the provincialization rules, which my lord I have already referred to.
Where is the above selection committee?
My lord, here it is the education department,
It refers to,
the above selection committees.
it refers to Rule 5.
Yes, rule 5.
And in between Rule 5,
Yes.
they have included some notification
Yes.
here and there, here and there. That's
Yes.
all.
Yes, my lord. But my lord, because we don't have, because our selection committee for provincialization schools were not there. So we had our provincialization, our committee for provincialization has been mentioned in the Assam Education Manual, Rules 2010, which I have read out to you, my lord. Page 500, my lord.
Yes.
This is, my lord, may see Assam College employs provincialization rules 2010. And we are a provincialized college, my lord. So, my lord, the selection procedure has been adopted from the direct recruitment rules of the Assam Public Service. And there the selection procedure is mentioned.
Read.
My lord, the selection shall be made by the above mentioned selection committee. The selection shall be made on the basis of merit by taking into account of performance in the written test, typing test, and interview with reference to the mode of selection as laid down by government instruction issued by the administrative department under the provision of sub rule 3 of rule 5 with due regard to reservation of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, OBC, MOBC, as per the provision so and so. For each category of post, then, my lord, as per the provision of assault and rules framed thereunder, and the government instruction in whose case also the selection is to be made on the basis of merit among the candidates of the respective reserve category. Now, my lord, 3. For each category of post, the selection committee on completion of the selection shall prepare a combined merit list which shall consist of all selected candidates in order of preference with mention of roll number of every selection candidate in the list. In case of any selected candidates in the select list belong to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe hills, or other backward classes, including MOBC, as the case may be. The fact of it shall also mention against his name on the list. My lord, then the combined merit list. Then the combined merit list at 4, my lord, shall have names of the selected candidates whose number shall not exceed the total notified vacancy by 40%. If the total notified vacancy does not exceed by 10, by 20%, if the total notified vacancy does not exceed 50 and by 15%, and so and so. Then fifth, the combined merit list shall be published under the signature of the chairman, member secretary, and all the members of the selection committee, and a copy of it shall be displayed on the notice board of the departmental officer who is a member secretary. A copy of the list signed by all of them shall forward it to the appointing authority.
Okay, just stop there for a
Yes, my
moment.
lord.
You've read rule 6,
Yes, my lord.
sub rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
in that.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if the sub rule, rule 6, sub rule 2,
Yes, my lord.
it says that with reference to the mode of selection as laid down by the government instruction issued by the administrative department.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Now, if you go to sub rule 3 of
Yes,
rule 5,
Yes, my lord.
it also provides that the administrative department shall issue instructions
Yes, my lord.
on the following
My
A, B,
lord.
C, D, E.
My lord. My lord.
So where are these instructions?
My lord.
So this is where the petitioners are agreed with. They say that such kind of instruction is nowhere to be seen regarding laying down the essential experience required, the written test to be done, the marks to be given,
Yes, my
the
lord.
typing test to be prescribed,
Yes, my lord.
interview to be held. Nothing of that sort has been mentioned anywhere in the advertisement.
Yes, my lord.
So why have you been put us through all these channels?
Yes, my lord.
This
My
is
lord,
what they're saying.
My lord, the rule which learned senior has read out is at page 5. My lord, it's is at 3, my lord, at page 121.
Yes,
The administrative department shall issue instruction following namely.
correct.
So, my lord, may see to this that our selection committee
Hmm.
is governed by the education department.
Hmm.
Our selection committee is governed by the provincialization rules,
Of 2010.
2010.
Oh.
And here all the selection committees are mentioned except for provincialization college, because these rules were of 1997
Hmm.
and provincialization of colleges happened in 2010.
Hmm.
My lord, therefore, this marks and the category was done. This is the practice that the selection committee
Hmm.
in its have a selection before the advertisement and they set out the marks. My lord may go to my annexure where there is a meeting. This is an annexure. The page number तो कितना में होगा? My lord, annexure 2, the next page of it, my lord.
Yes, what is this?
My lord may see proceeding of first meeting of selection committee.
No, from where are you reading that?
My lord, page, there will be 38 or 38.
38.
Yes.
It's
Proceeding-
cancelled and has become now 50.
50.
Proceeding of the first meeting. This
Yes,
is the
my
one.
lord. Yes. Proceeding of first meeting of selection committee for recruitment of grade 4 staff of so-and-so college at 2:30 p.m. The first meeting of the selection committee for recruitment of grade 4 of so-and-so college was held and all the members were present as below. So-and-so as president, so-and-so as member secretary, so-and-so as head of department and member of the committee.
How much? 3 only.
Three, my lord.
You had read out 2
There-
heads of department. That means one more should have been there.
Yes, head of the department and a member of the committee. 4, there should have been 4, but this is 3 here, my lord.
3 only, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Then the committee followed the directives of the government of Assam.
Yes, the committees followed the directives of government of Assam issued from time to time on the matters. The committee also noted the advertisement floated by the college. The committee also noted the number of posts advertised for filling up along with the rooster points and the category as below. The grade 4 different category, my lord. My lord, then minimum educational qualification class 8 pass at bottom.
Yes.
Then, my lord, after detailed discussion, committee decided as below For recruitment for above post, the latest instruction from Government of Assam till date will be followed. As the Government of Assam has not indicted any marks for recruitment of grade 4 posts, the committee decided to allot a written test, typing test, and 5 marks for the interview, total marks 65. Chairman and member secretary is entrusted to arrange a setting of question papers confidentially for written test of grade 4 post. For written test, question paper will be multiple choice carrying 1 mark each for question, and the pattern will be as follows. The selection of the post shall be on the basis of the merit by taking into account of the performance in written, typing, and interview. In case of a tie in the total marks of a candidate, the candidate getting higher mark in an interview will be given higher rank over the tied candidate. The time period of written test will be 1.5 hours and typing test for 15 minutes. The type page will be printed and the candidates will be required to sign and say at the same before submission. The date fixed of written test, typing test, and interview will be so and so. The meeting ended with a vote of thanks from the chair. My lord, all the 3 selection committee has signed.
What is the post advertised?
Grade 4, my lord.
Grade 4.
Yes, my lord.
Why do you require typing test for grade 4?
My lord.
Are they supposed to type?
Well, maybe on some urgent basis, they may have to, my lord. That is why. My lord, India is developing, my lord. The country needs developing. The country needs people who at least know how to type at the minimum on emergency basis.
So this is the criteria laid down
Yes.
by the
Yes, my lord.
the selection committee.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord,
And what is your reply
to
to
the
the
DV members' contention, my lord. No, my lord, before.
to the complaint given? You have not
Yes.
replied that.
Yeah, I have replied to it, my lord. I have reiterated the statement which I made at paragraph 6. My lord, that is at
What,
paragraph 6, my lord.
no, what have you reiterated?
My lord, my lord, at paragraph 6, paragraph 6, I am not sure about the page. That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 6 of the writ petition, the answering deponent begs to state that the advertisement for the recruitment in the post of grade 4, may I read, my lord?
You're reading paragraph 6.
Yes, my lord.
Read.
Yes. Was issued on 12/8/2022, and the same was concluded after conducting the selection process on 23/3/2023. Even though the president of the governing body has completed his term in the month of January 2023, he was allowed to act as the chairman of the selection committee as because the new governing body had not been formed when the interview was conducted. In fact, it is to be noted that as per the minutes of the meeting held on 28/12/2022, the interview was to be scheduled on 4/1/2023. And during this course of time, the term of the president of the governing body was not over. Therefore, there cannot be any prejudice caused to the petitioner, and the marks given by the selection committee cannot be termed illegal only because the term of the president was over on the date of selection.
So there was some postponement of the day.
Yes, my lord.
Initially, it was scheduled on 4/1.
Yes, 4/1, my lord.
Eventually, it happened on 23/3.
Yes, my lord. But the marks was already given on 4/1/2023, and that the result sheet is there at page, my lord, annexure 5. Annexure 5, my lord. It will be a 8 will be written, my lord. It's a horizontal sheet, my.
Yes.
My lord. At serial number 10 is the petitioner, my lord. Rahul Pathak.
Yes.
My lord, he scored 24.33 and the date of selection of test is 4/1/2023. And my lord, he participated in the computer test where he got 3.50. My lord may see computer test.
How much did he score?
My lord, 3.50. 3 marks, 3.5 marks, my lord.
Total marks.
Yes, total marks he scored 39.33. Whereas the selected candidate scored 55. That is on the second page.
How many posts?
My lord.
How many posts was Edward?
My
He
lord,
belongs.
this was for my lord, interview for the selection of candidate for the post of cadre 4 RP 03, this is for unreserved.
Unreserved. How many posts for unreserved? One.
One, my lord, I'll just check the advertisement once.
Anita Thakuria was selected with 55 marks total.
Yes, unreserved, two posts, Rooster Point 3 and 13.
Who's the other candidate who was selected?
My lord, Anita Thakuria has been, this is for the Rooster Point 3, she has been selected. For Rooster Point 13, my lord, they will be different. Because my lord may see Rooster Point 3 and Rooster Point 13.
Where is that rooster point given?
My lord, it's at the last page of my affidavit. With reference to the cited above, I have the honor to submit herewith the proposal for appointment of grade 4 lab bearer unreserved RP3, that is Rooster Point 3, in respect of Anita Thakuria. One Rooster Point. My lord, the IA 649 of 2024 in WBC 2656. The appointment letter is there. That is another general candidate whose appointment is there. That is for Anita Das Patwari, my lord. However, her name is not there in this because for different rooster, different mark sheet was there. Yes, my lord. This is, my lord may see RP3 and 13 UR.
So the other person was from RP 13.
RP13, yes, my lord. RP13, my lord. Monica Das Patwari.
The third name is here.
Yes, my lord. At 12, it's there.
Serial number 12.
Yes, Monica Das Patwari.
Total
At
marks is 50.67.
50.67. And she's the second one also, my lord.
Oh. So two unreserved candidates.
Yes, two unreserved candidates. I apologize, my lord. I somehow missed that. Monica Das Patwari.
They are party to this writ petition.
My lord, yes, no, my lord, they are not party. I think he filed impeachment. My lord, there's a private respondent is appearing, my lord.
I see.
Monica.
You're for the private respondent. Both. How many private respondents? 7 private respondents. All of them have been.
Respondent number 7.
Or respondent number 7. Who is that?
Anita Thakur.
Anita Thakuria. What about Manika?
Monica is already appointed.
Already appointed. Anita is not appointed.
Anita is not appointed. Monica is already.
Why? Anita got higher marks.
But because of the stay order, my lord, because there was an order, there was a stay order, the leave of the court. In the
There was a stay order.
because of the stay order. Though it's not specific. So, my lord, humble submission is that, my lord, my lord must be, they have already participated in the exam, the advertisement. It was known that there was everyone knew they were in the same level field. It was not that the person, Anita Thakuria or the selected candidate, they knew about the typing test or they knew it. No one knew about it. When they came in the examination, this was a written examination to be held. There was a typing test to be held and she fared and he didn't fare. So once you participated, once you have not selected, now you are coming and saying, no, the selection procedure was wrong. And my lord, there are various judgments to it. My lord must be knowing when you have already participated in the selection, you have not come out. And whereas on the same level field, the others also have participated. And there is nothing that the selection procedure is wrong, my lord. It has been done as per the rules and as per the government notification and the advertisement, my lord. Rule 5C, which my learned senior is reading, that is not applicable to the education department because the selection committee here is invested with the power to denote the marks.
Why is there so many writ petitions otherwise?
Because there are, my lord, from the same advertisement, there have been challenge to the all the other three posts where the selection has already happened, but there's not been appointed because of the order, man.
How many posts are there advertised?
My lord,
Come back to page
hotel,
16.
my lord,
16.
3,
Come to page 16.
4, 5, 6. 6, my lord.
Are you at page 16 and extra one?
Yes,
The first one is 2 posts unreserved, roster
my
point. These are the 2 posts which you just mentioned now.
yes, my lord.
Then 1 post is unreserved,
Yes, my lord.
PWD.
PWD, yes, my lord. 1 post is OBC, 2 posts is OBC.
PWD means PWD category.
Yeah, physical,
Yes. Then roster point is regarding PWD only.
yes, rooster point 1.
Then
Then
two-
rooster point is OBC, my lord. 2 posts, 2 and 10.
Mm,
Then post, 1 post,
SE.
STH, rooster point 14, my lord.
So total how much?
Total 6, my lord. 2, 3,
2,
5, 6.
3, 4.
And my lord may see the advertisement also contains the rooster point. That tomorrow someone comes and says, no, you have been appointed against the rooster point. So there was no foul in the advertisement. my
6
lord.
posts and
Yes.
they are all grade 4 posts.
Yes, my lord.
Under which establishment?
Under the Provincialization College of Banikanto, Basoy Banikanta Kakoti College, my lord.
Barpeta.
Borpeta.
Mm.
Nongong Borpeta.
Now there are how many writ petitions?
How many? I think I'm appearing for 3, my lord. I'm 2658, 2656, and 2657, my lord.
4 writ petitions.
My lord, the fourth one is for another college, opposite college, same procedure, same thing, my lord. After my learned friend completes, I'll just submit my.
Okay, this Kakati College is how many writ petitions has been filed?
3 million,
3.
3 million.
Oh, no, I can't believe
And what are those?
40.
My lord, item 14,
Hmm.
15,
Hmm.
16 million.
14, 15, 16 is my lord for the BBK college, my lord.
And 17 is my lord, Bapuji College.
Other college.
That is other college, madam.
17.
17 is Bapuji College, madam, Borpeta.
And how many posts are there in 17?
17, there is 1 post, madam.
Only 1 post.
Economically with a section, madam.
Okay. Why are they all clubbed together?
Yes, madam.
Advertisement must be different. Separate,
Advertises depend on different dates, madam.
separate.
Yes,
But
madam.
the manner in which the selection has been done is same.
Yes, madam. Process is same.
Process is same.
Process is same, madam. My lord, regarding the reply to my learned friend, my lord, may I submit one thing, my lord?
Yes.
As they are mentioning about that rule 5.3, as they are saying that it is not at all applicable to that particular case as because Provincialization Act is there. My lord, is there any provision that is mentioned there in that particular rule which says that this will have overriding effect on that particular notification or that particular clause 5.3, where it is said that the administrative department will determine the what papers will be there, what will be the total marks. Secondly, whether there will be viva voce, if viva voce, what will be the marks allotted. If there is typing, whether what marks that will be allotted. So from the argument of my learned friend, it seems that there is an overriding effect of that particular 2010 rule to the rule of 2009, which we have referred to, my lord, and in their affidavit also they have already mentioned. My lord. Your lordship is to determine whether that rule has an overriding effect on the rule we have discussed about, my lord.
No, your rule which you discuss is what? It's not 2009,
1997, my lord.
1997.
1997, my lord. 1997. The clause 5.3, my lord.
2009 is that notification.
Yes, yes, this is clause 5(3) Milan. At page 121 Milan.
This 1997 rules does not provide for college. It
No,
talks
but
about
then, Milan, it is, as it is going from the government department. Milan.
regional level officers, then what?
No, that is there, Miller. The principle is here, laid down here, Miller. But then that particular rule that doesn't say no clause is there which says that this college rule 2010 will prevail over any existing rule in the government, Miller. They are also governed by the government principles, Miller, government rules, Miller. So your lordship is to determine whether the submission of my learned friend that this is non-est. In my submission, Milan, this will have prevalence over the rule of 2010, the provincial, because this is a general administrative department's instruction, Milan. It is a department, Milan.
So how do you expect to be selected? Supposing
No,
you are one of the contestants.
Milan.
Advertisement is there.
Advertisement.
You don't say that advertisement is wrong. You respond to the advertisement.
No, my lord.
You submit your application.
No,
Then how do you expect that one should be selected then?
No, I'm not going to that, Milan. The process they have violated or the process they have deviated from the existing rule. That is how the selection committee, which is constituted under rule, has the authority prevailing over the authority of the administrative department of the government, that they will determine what paper they will be setting for the written examination, how the evaluation of typing system that will be done.
Okay, now one question. Now the selection committee, for whatever reason, have sat and have decided and made some recommendation.
Yes.
Now, who is the final authority to approve that kind of selection?
That is the director of higher
Director. What has the director said?
Now, Director of Higher Education, as we have already mentioned about, that 2-3 of the members of the governing body itself, they have already raised a complaint before the Director of Higher Education, the appropriate authority.
What is the complaint? The complaint is regarding the
was
term.
that-
Term is already over.
No, not only that, Milord, the procedure is not at all, procedure laid down by the rule is not at all followed, Milord. So complaint is pending before then, and 2 of our representations are there before the Director of Higher Education. And as this honorable court on 22/5/2023 has given a direction to dispose of this, but they are totally silent about even in their
Director has filed the affidavit.
affidavit, but then that was not at all mentioned in the affidavit.
What do they say?
What has happened? And 3 of the complainants who were the sitting members of the governing body, that is the statutory body under that particular rule, Melon, they have raised the protest, they have raised the complaint, and that was not at all taken into consideration. They are very serious matter, Melon. In their affidavit, they should have nullified that the complaint is baseless.
What is this grade 4 post? Otherwise,
It is only grade 4 post.
no, grade 4 post, any particular nomenclature given? Is it laboratory bearer?
Laboratory bearer, Milan, and office. Yeah.
Laboratory bearer.
Laboratory bearer, Milan. Advertisement is there, Milan. Advertisement is silent about the specific post, Milan.
Is there grade 4?
They are grade 4 post, Milan. Grade 4 posts go, say, for example, peon is grade 4. Then there are other grade 4 posts also there.
Correct, but see, I'm referring to the affidavit of the director.
Yes, Milan.
Director has said that the post in which the Anita Thakuria selected is laboratory bearer.
Yes, Milan. Laboratory bearer is also grade 4, Milan. Office peon is also grade 4, Milan.
So director has not said anything about the complaint.
Not at all, Miller. And about our representation also, two of the representation, one before this honorable court has take up the matter. And after this honorable court's direction that within three days, you are to file a press. We have already filed, Miller. But then no whisper is there, even the respondent number 2 that is there.
What is
That
what was that order?
order was on 22nd.
Paragraph A.
Of our affidavit, I'm sorry.
Of the director?
Yes, sir. Paragraph B. Maybe it likes to take my photo. Question B. They are basically two grounds. Yeah, that in the petition they have.
No, paragraph 8, there's nothing like that regarding.
Yes. The selection, the president, they're saying the president was already expired his term.
No, that now we have understood.
Yes.
Since there was no new president, he
Yes.
continued.
That was the allegation, Lordship.
Now regarding the representation, what have you stated?
And that was the allegation in the representation, Lordship.
So two of the
No.
representation, Miller, one is after this honorable court has intervened, Miller. They have not mentioned about that also what they have done.
This court also directs that since representation has been stated to be filed by the petitioner, the same may also be considered by the director at the time of considering the recommendation of selection committee.
The Lordship, court was also called for.
And this was order dated 22/5/23. Affidavit is filed on 28/8/2024.
Yes.
What is the other representation?
Because Lordship.
Mr. Goin, you had said some representation, one more representation.
Yes, Miller, it is on 24th of May 2020.
No, by court had permitted you to file one more.
Yes.
For what? How many representation is there?
There are two representations pending before me. Second representation. Yes.
What are they? When was it filed?
Yes, Miller. 24/5/2020.
24/5/2023.
That is after after this honorable court has given a direction to us to file it, Miller.
By which order?
Order dated 22/5, Miller.
Yeah,
And
22/5.
this is our representation. It is annexure 6 to the
No.
another writ petition, Miller, 2659/2023. There, this is the second representation, Miller, at page 39, Miller. It is Hirok duty, but then the same petition, same content, Miller. You also, Lordship may look into this, Miller. Second representation as per after the order of this honorable court.
Which order dated?
Order dated 22/5/2023. Miller.
Passed in which case?
That was a separate, common order, Miller, percent separate here, but it is in WPC 2656/2023, Miller. Similar matter because numbers are same. Item 14.
Oh, that's correct. 2656 is before me,
Yes, yes. The other three are also there, but then we have.
but on perusal of the order dated 22/5/2023, I don't see any direction
No,
asking
Miller,
you to file fresh representation.
yes, Miller, it is there.
It only says,
Now, the court also directs, since representation has been stated to be filed by the petitioner,
already filed.
the same may also be considered by the director at the time of consideration of the recommendation. To facilitate such consideration, the petitioner is given liberty to serve fresh copies of the representation to the Director of Higher Education within a period of 3 days, Miller.
Fresh copies. That's
Fresh.
Like you want extra copy, you give extra copy like that.
No,
Already
yes, yes.
representation filed. One
Yes,
more
yes.
fresh copy, that's
With,
all.
yes, yes, by the order of this honorable court, compliance to that, we have filed that on 24th million.
This is a new one or a similar to the earlier one?
Similar to it.
Mr. Taibildar, you are there for the higher education. What do you say about the representation?
Representation regarding representation, since the record is with us, so that has not been, the record is with us, with in our office. So the authorities could not act on the representation since all the record is in our custody now. So that regarding representation, they have not taken any action. They could not take. Now look at it regarding before going.
But the direction was there.
Yes,
by the
direction was there, Lordship, since the whole record, the original record is with us, Lordship, in our custody. So we can send it now, the record also, because record was also called for. Lordship, now, issue is that
You can send it now.
at this stage, Lordship, after participating, they will know that one of the complaint was that the governing body was, the selection committee was not properly formed.
What has made observation in the year 2023 that consider the representation also, and you say that records are all the time, all along has been lying with you. Then you can send back now after 2 years.
It will Lordship may direct the they will take the decision, Lordship, on the representation.
As director, you must be aware about the court
Yes.
direction.
Yes, Lordship, but
You should have called, but give the
Today,
records.
Lordship,
I have to consider.
inadvertently, Lordship, it remained with us. Otherwise, Lordship, the petitioners, they after participating, they knew everything. Once they didn't get selected, they have come up with that regulation. Lordship, I would like to place one judgment of the full bench of the Supreme Court regarding that only, that aspect, because they made allegations that the selection committee also not, Lordship, properly constituted. Then after knowing also, they have participated. Then when the result came.
Okay, tell me one thing. In terms of the recommendation made by the selection committee, has it been acted upon?
No,
Anyone appointed?
no. After the order, this order, Lordship, not again.
No one is appointed.
Yes, because of the stay, no one has been appointed. Because of the stay of the honorable court.
You have not been appointed.
Candidate has already selected. And appointment also, no, then I should watch it. Only the content of other already.
All the GB has already taken the resolution, my lord, that they appointed, and they have referred to the DHE. But because of the stay order,
No.
the order has not able to come. My lord, in all the affidavit, the resolutions are.
So it's not too late in a day for the DHE to take a decision then. In terms of the court's order dated 22/5/2023.
Although there's already appointment order is there.
But they have not been appointed. They were not allowed to join.
They are not allowed to join because of the stay order.
That's why.
Because my lord, there's a have to leave of the court is there. That's why.
Correct. Nobody has come before the court for leave.
Yes,
This order remains as it is.
yes. But there has been.
You have, DHE has filed affidavit, but this regarding representation is silent. In the meantime, the petitioners have also submitted a fresh copy of the representation. So why not take a call on this then?
It's not.
Mr. Gohain,
Malam?
22/5/2023, court said that
Yes,
while considering the recommendation,
true.
you look into the representation and take a decision.
Malam.
And admittedly, as on today, although recommendation is there, they
Yes.
cannot act upon it
Yes.
unless the director gives approval.
Malam.
Nobody can be appointed.
Malam.
So it is not too late in a day
Yes,
to ask the director to take a decision.
yes, Lordship, that can be. Director can take the decision, Lordship. That
And whatever the outcome may be, you will be at liberty to challenge if you want to.
That is always there. Lordship.
My lord, with a liberty to be heard, my lord.
Liberty to be heard, definitely.
Yes,
You can be heard.
yes, my lord.
Okay. What is the other college?
That is Bapuji College.
Bapuji College, my lord, at Borpeta.
Item number?
Item number 17, my lord.
One is BB Kakoti College. BB Kakoti College is for how many posts?
That
6 posts.
Six posts.
posts, 3 posts is Asha.
What is the similar order has been passed in this other case also?
Yes, my lord.
Dated?
Same date, my lord. 22nd May 2022.
Item 14 to 17. All these matters are taken up for disposal by this common order, since the issues involved are similar and identical. Stop hard, Dr. R.C. Borpotogohain, learned senior counsel, assisted by Miss S. Borpotogohain for the petitioners, comma, Mr.
In item number 14, Lordship, I on behalf of respondent number 7. DC Nath.
Mr. P.
DC Nath.
D.C. Nath, learned counsel for respondent number
7. In item number 14.
Respondent number 7 in WPC number 2656 of 2023. Comma, Mr. A.R. Tahbildar, learned
Department, all that.
standing counsel, Higher Education Department, appearing for the said department in all the cases. And Mr. S.P. Sharma. Who was that? Both the colleges. What is the name of the college?
Pauki Banikanto College, Kakoti College.
Appearing for
PVK College.
PVK College.
Bausi Banikanta Kakoti College, Nogaon, in WPC numbers.
PC number 656.
Okay, I got it. 2656 of 2023, comma, 2657 of 2023 and 2658 of 2023. Next para, be it stated herein that an advertisement was floated by Bausi Banikanta Kakoti College, Nogaon on 12/8/2022 in the local daily, the Assam Tribune, for filling up of, how many posts is there?
Six posts.
Six grade 4 posts in the state college. And similarly, another advertisement was published on 31/8/2022 for filling up of how many posts? Bapuji.
Three posts.
3 grade 4 posts
Three grade.
in Bapuji College, Saruk Kshetri
2-6 like that.
in the district of Borpeta. To stop the grievance expressed by the petitioners is that although the advertisement did not stipulate the manner in which the selection was to be made, the candidates were made to sit for written test, typing test, as well as interview. Stop further. The so-called members of the constituted selection committee themselves submitted a complaint before the Director of Higher Education with regard to the manner in which the selection had been conducted. In violation of the guidelines made by the state government in this regard. Stop. It is submitted at the bar that although the selection committee made its recommendation for appointment of the candidates concerned, but in view of the stay order passed by this court, the Director of Higher Education is yet to give the approval on the recommendation. Next para, this court on 22/5/2023, while issuing notice of motion in respect of the grade 4 posts in Baosi Banikanta Kakoti College, Nagaon, had passed the following orders. Please abstract. 22/5/2023. Next para. From the above abstract, it may be seen that although court was not inclined to pass a blanket order of stay on the selection process, but it was specifically mentioned that since a representation has been said to have been submitted to the Director of Higher Education, the said authority should take the same into consideration while considering the recommendation made by the selection committee. Stop liberty was also granted to the petitioners to submit a fresh copy of such representation to the director for necessary action. Stop. Next para. The director, apart from the other respondents, has filed counter affidavit, and the said counter affidavit, apart from explaining the participation of the chairman of the selection committee in spite of his term having expired, has offered no explanation as regards the consideration of the representation submitted by the petitioners. Stop. Mr. A.R. Tahibildar, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, submits that, in fact, the departmental records has not been returned to the directorate and the same is with him. And perhaps it is for this reason that the representation could not be taken into consideration. To stop, he however submits that the director has not taken any final decision in terms of the recommendation made by the selection committee.
I think that in these was published, but appointment order for check. Then I need to verify, but that may not be,
Currently, my IL lordship was 649. 649 with a 24 lordship. Page 24 lordship. Page 24 lordship. The list to total number of approved cases for appointment of grade 4 in various provincialized colleges, such and such model colleges, as per administrative approval received from the Gov. The list is already published and also approved. And lordship, the page 25
Approved by whom?
by the administrative various provincialized colleges, approved cases appointment order grade 4 in various provincialized colleges as per administrative approval received from the Gov. Page 25 lordship. These are the selected candidates lordship. Can you see serial number 221?
Yeah, 221. What do you mean?
Two serial serial number, page 25 lordship. The candidate already selected lordship. In respect of the.
No, you're saying serial number
Lordship.
1.
Serial number 221.
Huh?
BB college lordship.
Where?
Page 25. In IM.
Oh, 221.
221.
Serial number 221.
Serial number
Okay.
221.
BBK Close, Borpeta, Nitish Das, laboratory bearer. He's selected for the post, Lordship.
Against what, which category?
Laboratory bearer.
No. Common, this is from the, what do you call, general? Any reserve category?
Then
So when I asked you whether the approval of the director has been given or not, you said no. Now you're showing me this.
Joining, they have not.
Huh?
Joining because of the stay order, joining could not. No, Lordship, as per my information, Lordship, the other candidate has already joined.
No, my lord, that will have to be verified, my lord. I don't agree with the submission, my lord. Our reliable source is that they have not joined because of, as your lordship was very much clear about, that because of the stay order of this honorable court, their appointments have not been.
But they have got appointed. Lordship.
Madam, may I
They
just
have
say,
got appointed.
I am being the college, I will give. Madam, what has happened, the resolution of selecting the candidate has been taken. And that has to be approved by the DHE. For the case of Anita Thakuria, before the order of the court came, the order was processed and accordingly she got the appointment order. But for the rest, the resolution is there, selected resolution is there, but the appointment order has not been issued to you because of the stay order. That is the position of the.
Except for one.
Except for Anita Thakuria. Except for Anita Thakuria, my lord, Dyson Signar and Nitish Das. All these three, the appointment order has been reduced. Because this was prior to the stay order.
Anita Thakuria, Nitish Das also.
Yes, and Davinson.
Davinson Singer. It has been issued.
Three posts appointed, 3 posts were kept on hold because of the stay order. Of the court. And they have not joined.
They have not joined.
Yes.
Appointment order is there.
Appointment order. Not allowed. Because what happened, my lord, the resolution proposal had to be sent. And the resolution proposal was sent. By the time the High Court order came and it was communicated to the state, the resolution had been passed and the DHE had already passed their appointment order. But because of the stay order, they were not allowed to join in the college as of today, because of the stay order operating. For the rest of 3, for which the Rahul Pathak has challenged, for which the other 2 persons have challenged, they have not been, for them, the appointment order has not been issued yet by the DHE.
So the decision can still be taken then.
Yes, for 3
Isn't it?
candidates, they can still be taken. So, my lord, what I propose is that if the representation is there, representation is with regard to the selection process and everything. If the order is passed, if the selection process order can be, representation can be passed, hearing them. And after that, if the DHE feels that the entire selection process has to be done again, it can be done again. Or otherwise, the selected candidates can be given the appointment. My lord. Because
No, we are not saying anything about how the director should like pass his orders.
yes, my lord.
It's entirely up to him to consider and take a decision on it, isn't it?
So then,
Otherwise, then why should we relegate the matter to the director and why not decide here itself?
then my lord, the persons who has been already been selected, they have been selected, they have been already, appointment letter has been issued.
Correct.
So my lord, in those cases, then there will be no way in, my lord.
My lord, my humble submission with your lordship is for two more years, my lord, they were silent about disposing of the representation, my lord. If your lordship is giving a direction with a specified time within which the representation will be considered and all the matter will be decided, my lord. As your lordship has said, there will be no direction from this honorable court to do this way or that way. I think that will be appropriate approach of this.
No, what he's saying is that 3
Yes.
persons have been issued appointment order.
No,
But because of the stay, they have not been allowed to join.
Yes, that is.
So what will happen to them?
No, after disposal of the representation, what finality will come, my lord, as your lordship is just saying very wisely that we are not giving direction. It is his discretion, he will apply. And thereafter, my lord, as your lordship is giving a specific period of time within which the appeal will be heard, then matter will be finished, my lord. They could wait for 2 years, more than 2 years, my lord. It's a question of, say, few days only, my lord. Your lordship is giving a direction to dispose of the matter within a specified period of time, my lord.
My lord,
Hearing us, my lord.
if my seniors, my lord, the disposing of the of the representation, we are not objecting to it. What I am saying is that for foremost, if the representation is decided in their favor or not in their favor. If not, if in their favor, then the entire selection process has to happen. If it does not decide in their favor, my lord, the selected candidates and the person who has been already been appointed, they have to be allowed to join, my lord. That is what I'm suggesting, my lord.
If
Because
it's disposed in their favor,
if it does not dispose of in their favor, my lord.
or that of course,
Yes.
that goes without saying. It's
Yes.
only understood.
But my lord, but that order has to be reflected, my lord, because otherwise this people will be in limbo. The last
It's understood. See,
My
if
lord.
the director says that there's nothing wrong with what Mr. Borpotragoid has projected,
Yes, my lord.
then whatever selection has been done, that will fall through.
Yeah,
That
my lord,
will,
yes.
that will go ahead and then it'll come to a logical conclusion.
Yes, my lord. That would do, my lord.
In such case, Mr. Borpotragoid will have still the liberty to come and say that, no,
Yes, my lord. That would do, my lord.
this decision of the director is wrong.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
We can challenge, he can challenge it.
Yes, my
You
lord.
all
So,
have
logical-
correct. my lord.
Please write down next at this stage. Your good name, Mr.
SP Sharma, my lord.
SP Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the BBK College, submits that prior to the issuance of the stay order by this court, 3 persons have been given appointment order, namely Nitish Das, Davinson Singner, and Anita Thakuria. But however, they have not joined their appointed post in view of the interim order passed by this court. Page 25, okay? Orange flag, you'll find the name, spelling of the names. Page 25 of IA 649 of 2024. Orange flag. Next para, having regard to the above position and taking into account the order passed by this court on 22/5/2023, the writ petitions are disposed of by directing the Director of Higher Education, Assam, to consider the representation submitted by the petitioners. What was the date
24/5/2023. my lord.
before that?
24/3/2000.
On 24/3/2023.
Yes, after the direction.
And-
Now we'll quote again, it is on 24th of May, 2020.
And also on 24th of May 2023. With regard to the objection raised by them in the manner, on the manner in which the selection had been conducted. Stop. It is also provided herein that the director shall, the petitioners, how many of them?
4 of them are there, my lord.
Petitioners shall also be given the opportunity of hearing. What about the other 3 persons whose names the appointment has been given? They should
are
also
not
be heard.
They are not before your lordship, my lord.
Okay.
No,
You should give an opportunity to the petitioners for a personal hearing before passing appropriate orders on the said representations. stop the entire exercise should be carried out within a period of 4 weeks, 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. It is needless to provide herein that if the director comes to a conclusion that the selection process, the recommendation made by the selection committee is to be accepted. Comma, the recommendation made by the selection committee should be brought to its logical conclusion. With the above observation and direction, the rate petitions are disposed of. In view of the order passed in the main rate petitions, the IA also stands disposed of. How many IAs are there? Separate orders in the IA. You return back the, shall I indicate? Not required. Yes, I will look into it. Okay. All right.
I think I have a simple submission, Milord.
Yes.
Supposing, Milord, the director is taking a decision against us, Milord. May we pray that we may have a liberty to approach this court.
It is also provided herein that any party aggrieved would be at liberty to approach this court again, if so advised. All right.
Much obliged, my lord.
Same direction in item number 17 also.
This copy take back, and I yet given this affidavit position.
Lordship would have filed one IA, my lord, for consideration. What happened in this case, my lord? The advertisement has been issued by the respondent BTC.
From that point.
In my writ petition, I have mentioned, my lord. On 17/1/2024, they have issued an advertisement. The petition is having volume, my lord, because of the numbers of number of respondents. We have made all the selected persons as part of respondents.
Mr. Bora would like to file an objection to this.
Only because in one of the, this one, writ petition filed by a similar situated candidate, order was passed on 3/10/2024. Your lordship may kindly have a look at page 231 in the IA.
This is regarding another petition.
Yes, but similar to selection process, similar selection.
221.
231, my lord.
231.
Till the next returnable date, the respondents are directed to keep one post of upper primary high Hindi teacher Assamese medium vacant, if not already filled up.
This is regarding another.
Oh, same selection process. There are, lordship, what they have done, they've issued an advertisement. But after the selection process is over, they have issued another corrigendum by lordship altering the terms and conditions of advertisement. What they cannot do, my lord. After the rule is over, your lordship, rule is initiated. rule of the game is initiated, my lord.
Now that selection process is over. Now the fear is that
No,
there is
no.
subsequently there is another two advertisement, they want the reservation, they,
No, no,
That's
I am
correct.
not, Lordship, what is, my contention is that since they have issued several advertisement after this advertisement, Lordship,
I understand.
yes, and they have shown the numbers of vacant posts, my lord. At least few vacant posts may become vacant in favor of us, so that if we win, my lord, we don't have to run after them for want of vacancy.
Okay, so how many posts are you saying? Now, there was slight confusion. If you come to page 215,
Lordship,
you're saying 11 posts, which specifically 9 Bodo medium,
Bodo medium,
1 upper primary arts,
and 8 lower primary.
8 lower primary and
Yeah.
2 Assamese medium. So
Yes.
total is 20,
Yes.
but you say 11.
11.
Oh, no, 9.
Yes, 11 with
11 plus 9 plus 1 plus, no, 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 20.
20.
It's not 11.
We have put
That too is
16
subsequent
petitioner.
to two advertisement. That's to
No,
another.
no, not for that.
Not
On the ground that because vacancies are available with them, at least if we win the case, because we have got a good case in merit, repetition, we have a good case, your lordship. Since no, we are not challenging any process
Okay,
of selection.
okay, so this is the first day it has come. So immediately, whatever you have asked for, court will give you straight away. 20 posts. First of all, you tell us how many posts, 11 posts or 20 posts?
Lordship, the number of petitioners are
16.
16, so at least 16 posts. we can
Nothing
make.
is telling.
Then you should have written 16 posts. Why you have mentioning 11 posts and at the same time making 20 posts also?
Nothing is telling. So. 11, 12, 16 and 20. And that too advertisement which has not been challenged.
Why should I make the challenge? As regards the vacancy position, you have altered the rule of the game.
No, that is
Anything can be done by BTC or what?
That is that's an issue within the writ petition, my lord. They want the vacancy to post in the subsequent advertisement. they
Because
want
your
it-
lordship, what they have done as of date, they are giving appointment, your
Okay,
lordship.
now this IA has been filed in WPC 4769.
Yes.
What is there in 4769? What is the stage?
Oh, in
well,
that writ
and
petition, they filed an affidavit last week.
Last week.
Last week only. Today we are in Thursday.
Are you filing reply?
We'll be filing reply.
You'll be filing reply.
It's under preparations.
So you file your reply, let the matter be heard. And why are you asking for this to keep all these posts vacant
Lordship, what for?
pertaining to another advertisement?
No. We are referring to the advertisement, on the ground that there are vacancies as of now. If they fill up, then your lordship will be claiming, because once we win the case, according to us, we have a good case on merit, my lord.
I
We are
understand
not
that.
challenging the process of selection.
No.
We are challenging the corrigendum which they have subsequently issued.
I
After the
understand.
selection is over.
I
my lord.
understand that. See, only thing is that in WPC 4769, you're concerned with which advertisement? Same advertisement or different one?
No, different advertisement.
That's
We are,
the issue.
no, my contention, my lord lordship, I'm unable to make your lordship understand.
No, I've understood. You want some post to be kept vacant,
Subsequent
but
advertisement.
this post are advertised subsequently.
Yes, but
Correct.
not for that reason. In general
Mr.
terms,
Pura says that this advertisement is not under challenge.
not under challenge. We are not challenging that advertisement, subsequent advertisement. On the point that there are vacancies, my lord, at least that few posts be kept vacant not in favor of us. If we win the case, then they'll be accommodated. Then they will say the process is over, or lordship, we don't have dearth of vacancies, my lord. On that ground only, we are making that, we are referring the advertisements.
Okay,
Only in order to show that there are vacancies, they are issuing advertisement one after the another in violation of the process of selection. They have done nothing, my lord. Now they have come up with a affidavit. First, they have done affidavit. First, what they have done, your lordship, they have issued the order. Lordship, what they have done, they have issued advertisement. Then they have issued notification in 21/8/2024 by changing the rule of the game,
okay.
mentioning certain criteria which is not in the parent advertisers which they have issued.
Supposing your prayer is accepted,
My lord,
then tell me how many posts is to be kept vacant?
at least your lordship, the number of vacancies, number of 16, at least
Now,
16, your lordship.
That is not the pair. Now, Well, I need to respond to it, my lord. This, I is not
What
been
for you
maintaining.
need to respond, my lord? Maybe there might be some typographical error in lordship as regards number of vacancies mentioned in the prayer in the IA, my lord. At least few posts be kept vacant, your lordship, since in other case also it was done, my lord.
Against a subsequent advertisement which has not been challenged and whether they have applied in this advertisement, madam.
So in respect of the other writ petitions, apart from this IA,
Yes.
it's ready.
Yes.
It's ready.
My writ petition, they filed their affidavit last.
If they require.
So when are you filing your reply?
We'll be filing a short file
And
with
your writ petitions clubbed together with the other writ petitions also. They're all clubbed together.
They are having this interim order I'm referring to.
Ah.
That is from Mr. B.D. Das Senior Counsel. They are having interim order.
That-
One post was kept vacant. So we need lordship, we are praying for a similar order.
No, now all these posts are exhausted, my lord. That cannot be, my lord, and the same.
It's
the
making
same
submission that
Yes, this is
lordship,
the fact.
if the poster is exhausted, how they can issue advertisement one after the another?
That is
That is
subsequent
my
advertise-
contention.
That is subsequent advertisement after the sanction is granted. That's a different issue.
If your lordship takes up my writ petition once, my lord, my advertisement date is 17/1/2024 at page 124 of the writ petition, my lord.
So anyway, let Mr. Bora file his objection, whatever he wants to. We'll give you a short time. We'll post these matters again after a short time. When should we have it? When should
Then
we have
this
it?
time by the time vacancy, this one
That
vacation
will
will
not be
come.
filled up. Madam, model code of conduct is the election is on 22nd September. Nothing will be filled up. Model code is conduct is going on. Nothing will be done, madam. So we cannot do it. It's not
Model
possible.
model code of conduct, where?
Model
Because
code of
it,
BTC election is on 22nd September.
Which election is that?
BTC
BTC
election.
Or
election.
BTC area?
Even
So
it
his
is carried-
submission be recorded.
even it is
His
carried-
submission be
no,
recorded.
no, no.
Nothing will be
Fact
done
is
because of
not
model
putting the
code of
fact in
conduct.
The ground situation there, my lord. Model code of conduct has come in, my lord. How can they can fill up, my lord? Lordship will give me 10 days time. I will file my affidavit.
Okay.
No, that submission be recorded. Nothing is going to happen, man.
I cannot, madam, this is a model code.
General proposition, if, yes, my lord.
Conduct, how can you, even though that it is not required to, I am just informing the court, there is an election there in 22nd September. So it is model code is conduct is there, already there.
Since when?
22nd of September, it will be, there will be a
Election is there, but
So-
that model code of conduct starts from which date?
My lord, last week, it has been announced, my lord. So nobody can.
You're not sure about it.
No, it is going on. As on date is going on.
Election will be held on 22nd.
Yes, 22nd September. So Lordship will grant me 10 days time, I will file my affidavit.
Art Ms. Bornali Boya, Learned Senior Counsel for the applicants assisted by Mr. J. Das, who submits that by filing this application, the applicants pray for keeping at least 16 posts of lower primary teachers, is it?
Yes. No, one for Borough medium, one upper primary, 8 lower primary and 2 Assamese medium.
Lordship will specify that particular advertisement, 2 advertisement dated 26/25.
We are not challenging any advertisements, just to show that there are vacancies, my lord.
From that, they
We are not challenging any advertisement.
They need not, they
For
want there from there.
There are vacancies who have, on oath, we have made the submission.
for keeping 16 posts vacant as specified in the application, which was advertised by 2 advertisements, both dated 26/2025. Pending disposal of the connected writ petition, that is WPC number 4769 of 2024. Stop. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the BTC, submits that may be given 10 days time to file objection to the application. Stop. He also submits that since elections are due in the BTC area on 22nd September 2025, model code of conduct is in place, and there's no question of the said posts being filled up. during the election. Next para aspect. Now, who are the respondents here? What to do?
Respondents.
You have there's so many private respondents. How to do? How to issue?
Lordship, we have made them as a party respondent. We have issued paper advertisement also. They have not turned up. My lord, here we are students, your lordship. It will be
Then
like
these are the returning the private respondents.
I think 22 were
20.
How many respondents? All the respondents.
None has entered appearance. 21 are we appearing? 22. Our case is 21.
In the IEA. Who will-
Hey, my lord, let them bring the instruction.
How?
Notices may not be issued because we are not like in the writ petition we have made as a party respondent. Service is complete. We have issued paper advertisement in 2-3 vernacular or English medium, English newspaper, my lord. But as of date, they have not entered appearance. None of the selected candidates.
Okay, we'll just stick to Mr. Bora only. And aspect
Yes,
by
my
Mr. Bora. 10 days time is granted to file objection.
Because they are students, your lordship.
Please,
It
this
will
matter
be-
again when?
After 10 days, my lord, let it be on 19th of September, my lord.
This is the matter on 19th of September.
My lord.
Lordship, after 10 days, let it be on 15th.
No, that
15, my
one day-
lord.
No, 15, my lord, little not possible, my lord. Because we
Today
have-
is 4th,
we
my
have to
lord.
send it to BTC and instruction will come, they have to prepare the affidavit, my lord. Let it be on 17th, my lord.
Okay, 17th.
17th. The model code had come, order has passed on 26th August.
Anyway, you don't have to write a detailed objection also. You know
Yes, sir.
why you're objecting.
No. The other affidavit have been filed, my lord, except item number 22. That's under preparation, my lord, that further instruction is sought for item 22 raised. When in fine.
Okay, you file it.
Lords.
And you also file your reply affidavit.
Yes, we will.
Lordship, in respect of item number 24, there is an interim order okay.
Let it go.
Till when?
To return about it till the
Lords will extend it. That is there. One post.
24.
24 years.
Show me 24.
That the order I'm referring to his matter on.
No, till which date is the interim order?
Actually,
Okay,
We have been
the
extended.
interim order passed earlier in WPC number 5163 of 2024. Shall continue till the next date of listing.
I'm grateful to your lordship. It's 4:45 and your lordship gave us a patient hearing.
28 is the last item? Yes.
Lordship, this matter pertains to upgradation of the post of the petitioner from tutor assistant professor to assistant professor, Lordship.
You want to argue?
Yes, Lordship, but time constraint is there, but
Actually, what has happened, they are PhDs from outside of Assam. That's why they are
Who?
the PhD degree of the petitioners.
Okay,
That's
okay,
why-
yes.
That's why they are, my instruction is that on 19th of October, their case has been placed before the screening committee. The report is pending. As soon as the report received by the department, my lord, it will be placed before the state level, SLC, my lord. State level committee. But they are the.
so what happened, Lordship, in this matter is that the only dispute was regarding the PhD certificate, Lord. What happened, Lordship, the state has taken a step to verify many of the PhD certificates of many of the candidates, Lordship. So whoever has done PhD from outside Assam, their PhD certificates are being verified
Okay.
by the state level committee, Lordship. So
So
in this case, Lordship,
we'll give them some more time then, if the verification is still going on.
so the state level committee was formed the last year, Lordship, on 5/11/2024. They have submitted that the state level committee is verifying the documents or the PhD certificate, Lordship. Till now, that
There are
has
several,
not been.
actually, there are several cases as like the petitioners, my lord. But they are one by one, they are verifying. Now, now the screening committee has verified the case of the petitioner on 19th of August, my lord. This 19th of August
Verified.
is verified. my
Then
lord.
what is the
The
outcome?
report is, my lord, not come up, my lord. the screening committee report. After receiving the screening committee report, it will be placed before the SLC, my lord. The SLC will decide whether they will be recommended or not.
So one thing, Lordship, I want to place.
Kindly 2 weeks may be given, my lord. In the meantime, I think the process will be completed.
Okay, we'll list it after 2 weeks.
Lordship, may kindly give it
Mr.
to
S. Das, Learned Standing Counsel at Education Department, submits that the verification of the PhD degree obtained by the petitioner is still under process and placed for further 2 weeks' time. Considering the submission, let the matter be listed.
Can it be on 18th, Lordship? A fixed date may be given, Lordship, before vacation.
My lord, 2 weeks.
18th. 2 weeks.
Last week, this 25, 26 month last. Or last week is up to September.
There'll be more than 10 days. More than 2 weeks.
18th or 19th, any date, Lordship.
List again on 19th of September.
Hello, Lordship.
It's over now.